Oh man, what's up, people? I think what? Oh, do I have my stream? I have my stream going. Hold on, hold on. Why am I hearing myself? There we go. Boom. Should be fixed now. How's it going, everyone? What's up, and welcome to another fantastic. I was gonna say fantabulous, fantastic stream. I guess that well, it's a stream. It's too early to really say if it's fantastic or not. What's up, Jedi? Like I said, dude, Wednesday should be a whole new day for me. That's when the keyboard's supposed to come in. I ended up going with the was it the Drevo? Here we go. The Drevo Blade Master TE, guys. So I should be having a way more decked out and RGB setup in 2 days, apparently, because we'll see, because I don't know, everything right now is up in the air and going crazy. So we'll see what actually happens. Hopefully though that works out. Hopefully with the shipping isn't delayed or deliveries or anything isn't too crazy with everything going on. But welcome. So also on that note, we're gonna change things up a little bit this week. And more or less in an effort to also, where's my music? There we go. In an effort to just kind of be a little bit more socially aware. I am not going to, oh snap, Queb is coming in. What's up, dude? How's it going? What's going on, man? I was in his stream hanging out. Ooh, Sean Washbot. That's a little concerning. Is it a bot that washes Sean? Is Sean the bot that washes? I have so many questions, and no answers whatsoever. But yeah, dude, we're doing good. Ooh, man, Devrizar. It's like Charizard, right? Ooh, this is hard. Yeah, I'm gonna go with Devrizard. How's it going, man? He's one half of DNC cast. What? Okay, all right. Well, hey, that more and more getting ran by robots. So I guess that works out. And Q Wade bot. Sean's podcast fit. Oh my god, dude, we have a celebrity in chat. Holy crap! I'm so happy to be in your presence, sir. I hope you find my humble little stream here acceptable to your liking, and if not, we will make all immediate changes to alleviate any gripes you have with anything here. Thank you again for humbling us with your presence, and thank you. Let's see. Yeah, so we are not going to actually I did not hit all the things that you can see here on my screen. There's still a couple things that I added last minute that I want to do before we can say that MVP is complete. And so that mixed with all the craziness that's going on in the world right now, we're just gonna postpone the release of our MVP, or at least we're gonna postpone the marketing efforts, right? I'm not gonna go start posting about it on Product Hunt or Reddit or Twitter or anything like that. I'm gonna give it another week to kind of get through some of these things that I really want to get to, make sure that it's up to snuff, give me a little bit more time to test things, and then I'm hoping that just early next week, maybe on next Monday's stream, we can actually go officially live with our MVP. One Dark, dude, how's it going? Nice to have you back. Ooh, oh man, Hutchy is Hutchy. I said it 3 times, as Queb noted before. If once you say it 3 times, that's got to be how it's pronounced, right? You'll let me know if it's not Hutchy. Oh man, it sounds wrong. Like it sounds like I'm saying it wrong, and it's gonna be like Shuchi or something. But it's phonetically, it's Shutchy, right? Shutchy. It's got to be Shutchy. I'm gonna go with Shutchy. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Let me know in chat if I said it wrong or if I said it right. And Hutch, what? No, I was totally wrong. S Hutchy. Wow. All right, that makes a lot more sense. Wow, that definitely broke the streak. That definitely broke the streak. That broke my brain. Holy crap. Could not separate the shut from the chi to get Hutchy. Man, dang it. We were on such a good streak too. It was such a good, we were on like a 90 name streak and it just blew it just like that quick. Oh man, that's a bummer. That's a real bummer. Well, now you are Shutchy. I made it to a 2-name streak once. Yeah, dude, there's been many times where I was like, oh, this, like now, like this can't be right. I know I'm saying this wrong. And nope, they're like, oh dude, you got it. And I'm like, all right, well, let's keep going. So we're gonna spend the week doing a little bit of cleanup stuff, adding some niceties. Love for you guys to just go ahead. Obviously, anyone who is here can go to MovieOtter. Down at the bottom there's a support link, and you can actually submit any feature requests you might have for the app. Maybe we will also get through some of those this week. I'm not sure, but we will try to get through all that we can. But with that said, since Friday, boy oh boy, I have made some breaking changes and then some fixing changes. And I don't know if what I have is, I guess technically it's overall better, right? Like it's more functional. Added some of these things. I have to review it still. We'll probably do that on stream today. But as soon as the server's up and running, we can see I went ahead and added email and password sign up, as well as Twitter login. So you could sign up, make an account with Twitter, Google, and just email and password if you choose. Not to mention, I did some refactoring as far as the whole here. Well, things are running now, so let's just open her up, take a little look through. Cool. So when you're here, it actually looks pretty much the same. I changed some of the tile cards, right? We say what features now are definitely in there and which ones are coming soon because we still need to work on them. But when you go to sign in, now we have this cool little pop-up that shows you could sign up, like I said, with Google or Twitter. If you forget your password, we implemented Firebase's whole password reset stuff, right? It wasn't very well documented. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't very well documented at all. But it is fixed. And I figured out, guys, how to change the little stupid thing here that says what URL we're actually using instead of the like Firebase default project name. Off the ban, dude, what's up? You know what's really funny, off the ban? In high school, me and my friends, right? We were dumb kids. We thought we were gonna be internet famous, right? We bought cameras and tried to make a YouTube show and record a podcast and all these other things. And I'll get to it. It's a long story. And one of the things we did was, like I said, we tried to make a podcast and we had to come up with a name. And for some reason, somebody said something stupid, and we just told that, like, we just said, get out. Like, just leave, just go. You're out the group, go home, leave. We don't want anything to do with you. And somebody was like, yeah, dude, we're kicking you off the bus. And then that stuck. And the thing we tried to make was then called like the Off the Bus podcast. I don't know why. Again, we were dumb kids. But all that to say, every time I see you in chat, I think, why does this man have the name of the dumb podcast that me and my friends are, oh wait, no, it's Off the Ban, not Off the Bus. So thank you, Off the Ban, that long-winded tangent. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm sure that is still somewhere. Oh man. Oh, we were real original. I think we tried to make our website like Crave Gaming Network. I don't know why. I don't know why at all. It was very, very dumb. Oh, Mewtrue. That is a great username. That is a very, very good username. Holy crap. Thank you so much for the follow, dude. No, it's not coming up. Nothing about it's coming up. Crave Gaming Network apparently doesn't exist anymore, as it should have died a long time ago. It should have never been born. But thank you. C Films, how's it going, man? Nice to see you around. Doing pretty good. We had a long weekend. This is a very long weekend. My girlfriend was up doing work stuff. I was up crunching away on MovieOtter, trying to hit the MVP deadline for things to hit the fan and end up delaying it anyway. So, but we got a lot done. We did get a lot done. But we still need to actually go through all this code that we made and get things going. Hutchy. Oh man, thanks for the follow, dude. I'm glad you were able to forgive my fumbling of your username. And you're the bigger man or woman. I don't know. You could be Sarah Hutchy for all I know. But Hutchy, I'm glad you're able to be the bigger person and save me from myself and forgive me. Are you a dev by day as well? Ooh. Yeah. No, I'm a dev by night. Yeah. See, I'm a dev by night as the solo indie hacker. By day, I'm Isaiah. I guess technically I am a dev by day. My day job is literally being a dev. Man, existential crisis. Yeah. Well, I'm a dev by day. I'm Isaiah by day, and then I'm a broken shell of a man by night. After everything. My nickname is because developer, and Rizard, Richard and Paul. Oh, so it's Dev Rizard. So it's not you don't mush it together. It's not Dev Rizard like a DeVry college. I thought maybe he just he was a Pokemon fan who went to DeVry and he just mushed those things together. I don't know. Also, yeah, that's a pretty cool new emote. I don't know if it's new, but that's a pretty cool emote. I like the panda. I gotta work on mine. Mine are great, but I kind of want to go in and like clean them up maybe, because they were spur of the moment ones, and they're fantastic. That is not to say that I don't like my stuff, my emotes that you guys have helped me make. But I want to clean them up. I want to give you guys the best emotes that I can, highest quality. I guess, yeah, we got 80 so far, 80 commits. I mean, commits is not really a good way to measure code, right? So I wouldn't look too closely at that, especially me. I commit very, very heavily, right? I commit like a madman. I'll do a lot of work and still break my work down into smaller commits, which maybe that's good, maybe that's bad. I don't know, if I'm being perfectly honest with you. But yeah. Hello near this. Okay, I know I got that right. Hello near this. How's it going? And welcome to the stream. Wait, I already opened this. Crap. I guess I can log in. We can show what we have. Like I said, it was mostly just adding Twitter and Facebook login, or Twitter, Google, email, and password login. But that was some stuff that we needed to do. Also, yes, that's muted. Okay, cool. So now that we have that going, all of this stuff should be ready. There's a couple things, like I said, I wanted to get to today. I guess we might as well just quickly look at the, where is it? Nope, I was in the right place. There's the branch, there's the feature. Hey, JTP, how's it going, dude? How goes your weekend? How was your weekend? What do I want to do here? I want a new pull request because we got to bring all this stuff in. Actually, I don't even know where I left off with this, so that'd be a good thing to quickly check before we go committing. Queb, he unknowingly put up a challenge in his stream today. Guys, if you don't already, go check out Kid Queb's channel. I don't have a cool shout out command. Let me see, maybe Kid Queb. I don't think it comes in default. Oh, look at that, it does. Never mind. Well, go check out Kid Queb's stream. He is also a really fun, really entertaining dev streamer. But I was hanging out in his stream earlier today, and he unknowingly put the challenge out that you can't do a lot of dev work while streaming, and I took offense to that. I don't know if you knew this or not, but I took offense. And so what I would love to do today is to accomplish. This is going to be an easy one. We are totally going to just destroy this ticket today, right? But beyond that, I also want to get in a whole notification system within our app from start to finish. I haven't touched it. I haven't done anything at all. This is going to be a challenge for the day. We unknowingly got a challenger has approached, and we're going to see if we can get to it. So 1.5 tickets, because this one, like I said, I think it's like a 4-liner. Super dumb easy. Let's see. Ooh, you just have to do some chores. Calling it, he's gonna get a new follower and mistake their name. Yep. That would happen. Or somebody posts something like the coolers.co, and I just go on this long tangent trying to find the best color combination. Yeah, JTP, my weekend was long. It was a very long weekend, did a lot of work. Tried to stay off of social media, but that failed. Let's see. But also did some chores. So all's good. The name is Multidimensional Mosh. What? Depending on where the reader puts his face. Hello near this. Hello on Earth is. Hello on art is. Oh, dude, that's so good. That's really good. Hell on Earth is. Yeah, I kind of like that one the best. I like Hell on Earth is. It has like a story behind it, you know? Ooh, yes. Wait, Kid Queb, are you trying to sabotage me already? I feel like he's trying to sabotage me already, but he is true. So, in fact, I actually have a ticket. These are a whole bunch of different commands that I want to add in. And shamelessly, I stole also the idea from Queb to create a little panel down in the channel to just house all of our commands. What is it? What is Hell on Earth? Ooh, Goombach. Also, Calkicks. That's a fun name. That's a fun name to say. Calkicks. I like Calkicks. And I'm pretty sure I'm saying that right. Unless, yeah, there's no like secret I in there and it's really Cali Kicks and then I was just saying it wrong for 3 hours. But Calkicks, thank you so much for the follow. Happy to have you around. And Goombach, man, all right. If all I gotta do is say how much I like a person's name, I can do that all day long because you guys all have great names. Oh my God, see, look at this. JTP, wait a minute, hold on. You were following me before. Did you unfollow to follow again? Maybe I'm misremembering. I'm gonna, you know what? That's very conceited of me. All right, I apologize. Thank you so much for the follow. You and Goombach. Is it, man, now I'm learned it. You're right. See, Queb can read the future. He's gonna know that I'm just gonna get hooked on names for 4 hours. But okay. So, Queb, if you don't know, he has this cool resources repo where he is basically trying to collect all the different things to easily link out whenever somebody comes in chat and they're like, hey, I'm trying to learn how to program, or hey, what's this cool tool that you're using, or hey, I have this problem, do you know something I could use to like fix it? And I also had the same idea, right, with a couple commands in here actually, you know, pound editor, or pound, bang editor, bang learn, bang tech, and all of these can basically fall under the same idea as a resources kind of thing, right? So I was like, you know what, Queb, I'm gonna take you up on the offer. This is a public repo. It's open source, right? We're gonna clone it. We're gonna clone it. There we go. We're gonna add to it. We're gonna make a PR and build on it. And we're gonna just add this into our chat and just have it be one cool collective resource command that multiple people in theory could use. So, but cool. Let's see. Let's clone this bad boy. We'll add something new. I'm very ambitious. I'm doing this before I started working. Yep, line of code update 0. Oh yeah, yep. This is gonna be that would actually be a really good command. That would be a really cool command. Oh no, I'm in my C drive. I don't want to be there. cd dev git clone git colon. No, that is not what I want to get. I don't want any colons in here. Right, cool. cd resources. And then it's open the way you open. Something's broken, or it just doesn't like me. There we go. Okay, we're gonna open resources. Cool. Let's see. I never followed. I didn't know Twitch. Fair enough. I don't know Twitch. I'm still bad at Twitch, and I have a channel, and I'm streaming, and it's real hard still. Cool. Actually, there are a couple. Man, dude, I'm not gonna do all of this on stream. We're gonna do maybe just like 3 or 4 things, but I have basically these like two like folders for repos and everything. Or for repos, for just like tools and stuff that I come across, like tools and cool resources, right? Let's try and pick 3 good ones that we could add on here. So we have coolers, right? I think we could do one, and obviously this is a PR, right? You could always leave comments saying, I like the way that this Isaiah by Day kid just came in and started adding new things. We could, man, this is hard now. No, all right, we gotta pick some simple ones. Let's do vector art. That's a really bad name. Let's see. Free vector illustrations. And we can go with one of my favorites. Was it Undraw.io? Nope. Is it? Oh, it was Undraw. Oh, .co. Boom. This is a solid one. Okay. Boom. 1 done. I don't know SQL, so I can't really help with that. Learning. I got one for learning. We have the Odin project. The Odin project. Boom. Okay. Actually, maybe this should be, because honestly, there is a lot of things that fall under design. Art and assets, maybe? Could be like a subcategory within design. I don't know how this is actually gonna look. We'll see when I do the 0 pineapple for me. You do you. Fair. Let's see. We got the Odin project. Okay. And let's see if we can get one more. We can get one more. Let's go through my bookmarks. Let's see. I feel like we gotta have a lot of design stuff. Oh wait, a classic one. OMG SVG. Is that it? Yeah, SVG OMG. Wrong way. But SVG optimizer tool. So, boom, 3 of them right here. SVG, AVG, that garbage software. SVG OMG, SVG optimizer. Is that right? Is that how you spell that? I don't know, man. You'll let me know. Cool. That's 3 things. Boom. Save these 3 things. Let's open up GitHub, because Actually, I could just do this terminal. Maybe not. Okay. Adding existing. Nice, I'm doing this off screen. I apologize. Windows, Ubuntu. Oh crap. I don't remember how to user lib lib crap. Path working directory. Home. Wow, was way off. Okay. Ubuntu, home, Isaiah, dev. We're gonna get there eventually. Resources. Add repo. Gonna tie them up in PR tweaks all night. No chance of being productive. Nope, can't stop me. You can't stop me. Cool. Let's make a new branch. Sure. Do you have like, I don't know if you have, there was no, I don't think there was any PR templates or anything in here. So that means it's a free for all, right? That means I can do any and everything and it's acceptable. Sure. Stream additions. Sure. We're gonna make this branch. I'm sorry. You shouldn't have done this. I blame no one but you. Sure. Create a fork. Fork this repo. Sure. Yay, look at that. Okay. Sure. Add some sample items. Added things while streaming. Cool. One learn item, two design items. This is a terrible Git message. I'm sorry. But you brought this onto yourself. I don't feel bad. Okay. We're pushing it. It should just, will it still show up here? Oh, it does. Nice. Cool. Cool. Oh, look at that. Can we preview it? I don't think so. No, that's just a rich diff. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna assume that this looks fine. I actually don't know. Terrible Git is my autobiography. Yeah. All of my commits are update, blah blah blah. Just the default, whatever file it is. I like it. What? Oh, has no. Oh, okay. Nice. All right, well, there we go. We made the PR. We can go in here. We can see it. Boom. You know what I'm gonna do? Oh, crap. This isn't enough that I can make a fake ticket and say that it's done. Dang it. Okay, well, after being derailed immediately by our own friend, who apparently is not a good friend anymore, but he also made this cool resource, so he's a friend. Let's actually get some real work done here. Cool. If we jump into MovieOtter, let's see. That's right. I have this huge PR, which I'm just going in trying to make sure I don't have any lingering comments. I'm gonna go through and do some more refactoring and stuff later. That's boring. This is one. What file is this? User profile. Edit. Around line 160. As you can tell by how large some of these files are, there's a lot that could be refactored. Okay, cool. Any other lingering comments? What is this? 208, 209? This is gonna be, sorry, this is a little busy. This is a little busy work. GitHub about, I know, I don't have any of those cool commands. Oh, you know what, Queb? Can we, where is it? Ooh, how do I do the thing? How do I, oh man, I think I'm doing this wrong. I want a VIP Queb. Is it pound VIP? Is that how Twitch works? I don't think that's how Twitch works. That is not how. Oh, channel actions. Nope, not there either. See, who was talking about knowing how to work Twitch? It's hard. No one knows. I'm actually convinced no one actually knows how to Twitch. We all just fumble through it until we make it work. And I was trying to just give I was trying to give Queb VIP access so he could post links. But apparently not. Let's see. Let's see. This is very, very exciting. I know. Nope. There's so much here that I'm breaking. This stream is gonna come crashing down live. I'm gonna hit one button. It's gonna be wrong. All right, well, we will figure this out later. Eventually, Twitch have a rule that if someone understands how to do something, then they change it. Or is it Facebook I'm thinking of? Yeah. Let's see. What was the? Oh, it's slash VIP. Thanks, C Fields. VIP kid web. Boom. Okay. You should be able to do that now. Ooh, well, I can't mess this up. Obviously, that is a very pronounceable username. CGR DMZ. Krugadims. Sup, Krugadims. Thank you for following. Happy to have you here. What happened to the stream earlier? Oh, what do you mean? Is the stream, did it go down? Did it break? I did break it. Yes, success. That was the goal. That was my secret plan all along, to actually break things terribly. Man, I left a lot of comments in here. So many just garbage things we don't need. Let's see. Oh, wait, no. One of those was a good comment. That was a good comment. This is a bad comment. Okay. You did. C-Films came through. He saved the day. He taught me something. All the built-in Twitch things are slash. Sugardoms. Yeah, exactly. See, he confirmed it. See, you guys, the streak is back on. He just confirmed it in chat. I have proof that I said it right because he replied with what I said. So that is a win. We are off. We are back off to a great start here. Nothing can go wrong. I say 30 seconds before something goes terribly wrong. So far, so good. A lot of generated file. Like, I imported some SVGs. That's why this commit is like 1,000+ lines. It's because a lot of it is just these SVGs I got online. I started a stream for 48 seconds? I did not mean to do that. That was an accident. I don't know, that must be someone else. That doesn't sound like something I would accidentally do at all. But maybe. I laugh for a reason, you know. Oh, yeah. Yep. You laugh because I got it right. Yeah, no, I don't know why it says I would have streamed for only like 48 seconds. Oh, you know what? I wonder if that was I'm trying this new thing here. I can show it to you guys. Again, another deviation. But basically, I use the Streamlabs OBS to like do my stream. And they got this cool little app, right? Where you can download it on your phone or tablet or something, and it's like a poor man's Stream Deck, right? Eventually, I'll buy the Stream Deck and actually just use that. But for now, when I don't even know how to do things like VIP people, it's probably not worth the money until I actually invest into learning how to Twitch better. But all that to say, I was playing around with the app earlier, and I might have went live for a bit there. That's maybe the only thing I can think of. Go back in the videos, you'll see it. Yeah. Like I said, maybe I was just playing around with this and broke things, or inadvertently, accidentally started a stream for a little bit. Hopefully, it was not just me staring at my computer. Very entertaining, I know, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Cool. So that's merged in. We can go ahead, pull out master, pull these changes. Oh crap! I merged it in before I pushed these changes. Dang it. Let's see. Oh, you know what we can do? We can go to master. We can do a new branch. Chore code cleanup. This is what happens. Maybe you were on to something when you said it's hard to code and stream, huh? I guess maybe you had something there. See you later, dude. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate the raid again. Thank you so much. Time for some food and video games. Ooh, before you go, what are you gonna play? What are you gonna be playing? That is my only request before you leave. If you can let us know what is gonna be Warzone. Nice. I need to play that again. That game is really fun. I'm really bad at it still, but in Call of Duty fashion, you don't really need to be good to do well. You need to be like competent to a level and then lucky, I feel like, for everything else. So but nice. Yes, we do need to play. Warzone's free, Pat, all right? You can't blame me for not playing that with you. Sure, clean up comments. Sure, do that. We'll publish this. Because you made me buy it. Again, that game was free. Warzone is free. I made you buy the regular Call of Duty, all right? Which I take full responsibility for. All right, we could jump in. We could play that sometime still, So, hey. One dark. Oh, you used yours for just macros. Dude, I know what people mean. And I feel really dumb, right? I don't know what people mean when they say macros. Like, obviously I know, like, I get the gist of it from the context, right? It's like, okay, a short command or something that gets called whenever you press a button or whenever you do a thing. But like, is a macro a device level shortcut? Is it a OS level shortcut? Can I make a macro that launches my stream setup? Like, it launches Chrome and Code and Streamlabs and all that. Like, what is this? Are you guys hacking away at things? Oh, dude, baked potato. My God, you're watching Shippuden for the first time, I assume. I assume it's the first time. My God, I spent a lot of great hours just watching that show. And in fashion, okay, cool. Yup, that is fine. Squash and merge this as well. And see, who's it? I think C Films. This is why. This is why when I look at my code and it says I have like 80 commits, it really means nothing as far as what I do. Because I commit so much and so often that it doesn't really matter. Might not be in one button, but you could do it. Okay. All right. I'll look into it then. I know. Again, I'm buying. I just bought this keyboard. It should be on Wednesday, and it has this cool little knobby thing on the left that I can apparently, assign commands and stuff to, or give it, assign different controls and everything to it. So I can look into. Maybe I'll look into that. See if I can like double tap it and it just brings up the whole stream settings. That'd be pretty cool. No, I got past like 170 to 120 or to 200, which is just missions from Naruto and Wisconsin. Oh yeah. That is the only like bad part about that series, is just how much filler is in it sometimes, Cool. All right, let's see. We got some stuff. This is now waiting for deployment. We're gonna deploy all this stuff later. But let's index our movie list. That is something I totally overlooked, and probably because I didn't have Algolia set up before when we first finished movie list. So, but I think it'd be really cool is maybe you want to find a list. It's really hard to find right now in MovieOtter unless you know exactly the person who made it and they happen to have like, you know, shared it somewhere or linked it to you or something like that. It's really hard to find a list. So I wanna fix that. I guess this is technically a feature, right? Technically. Search lists. Cool. All right. So this one is actually gonna be a little bit of back end and a little bit of our front end stuff. Let's see. We need to create a file in our back end, in our serverless stuff. Serverless functions, source, lists. Okay. We should be able what I want to do, we're gonna cheat a little bit here. I want to copy this. So we have one on creation, right? That actually just sets up like a base document. It you know, increments and decrements a counter that's attached to the user because they created a list. What I want to do is actually have an update function. So whenever the list is created, updated, or deleted, this callback trigger is going to run. Let's see. You can write a Python script, have that be a key on the keyboard that does all that. Oh, okay, QWadeBot. Also, do you go by Wade? Can I call you Wade? Can we be real friendly here? I feel like if I try to say QWadeBot too often, I'm gonna just start saying KawaiiBot, and that's not right. You can launch programs and whatnot. I use it for Photoshop, launching the program because I want a clean desktop. Ooh, yeah. I mean, it's hard, impossible for you guys to see it right now, at least very easily. But I'm totally like a digital minimalist as far as like presentation, right? I have nothing on my desktop. I have inbox zero as much as possible. So cleaning up icons and having shortcuts to do that. What's bad is my bar down here. This is way too much for me already, right? But obviously I don't know how else to handle a lot of these things, right? Some of these things I use often, so I gotta figure out how to clean that up a little bit. How about a list generator where you put in a few parameters and your ideal list is made? Ooh, that would be cool. That would actually be very, very cool. I think that is worthy of a ticket. List generator. Let's see. From baked potato 8765. We have a feature request, and I'm just gonna copy exactly what you have because why rewrite it? Let's see. This is, oh, do I not have feature request? Boom. Post MVP at some point. That's nice. I like that idea. That's really cool, actually. Screenshot for the Discord. What did I screenshot for Discord? Did I embarrass myself? I don't know. I don't know what happened. Oh, you're saying screenshot this for the Discord. Yeah. Cool. All right. I have to show that sack of bones Queb up. All right. He challenged me. I have to live up to his challenge. If we look at this. Beautiful. It's exactly what I want. I'm gonna just copy paste all this stuff right here. Right here. If I can get to the right list here. Okay. Boom. Save movie list entry. Or maybe just list Algolia entry. Sure. Save list Algolia entry. Save delete list Algolia entry. A list doesn't have a setup state, so I don't have to worry about that. And Algolia, blah blah blah. Ooh, movie list. Movie list. Yep. Collection name. Everything else in here is movie list, right? Yep, movie list. That's what I want. That's what we're doing. Okay. We're gonna copy, paste, and instead of a user, we're gonna have a list. Crap. We're gonna have a list. It's gonna be pretty sweet, pretty quick too. All right. Movie list. List. There we go. And then we need to update actually our list class to be able to return. What? Oh, okay. No, that's fine. List. Okay, our lists don't know what an Algolia object is, so that's the only thing we got to do in core, and then create some UI to be able to type in something and search for it, and then boom, we did it. Ticket's done. Import. Oh, I don't remember what the import looks like. Oh, simple enough. Boom. Okay. Let's see. Hey friend, great beer. Ooh, Ryan the Warrior. How goes it, Ryan? How are things, man? Ryan the Warrior. Assuming this is the same Ryan the Warrior that I know everywhere else, is a great friend of mine who's in Buffalo. Last I heard, he was in Buffalo. I don't know where. It's a crazy time we live in. People are moving all over the country. Our friend Ryan the Warrior, he lives in Buffalo. Haven't seen him in a while. I miss his face. He's a great man. Everyone should say hi. He's a friendly man. And this is a great beard, right? It's my quarantine beard, you know? Well, when your barber doesn't exist, it's really hard to shave. Hope you're okay and safe, bro. Thanks. I'm so bad, dude. Yeah. Obviously there's a lot of stuff going on, right? In my city in particular, there's been like some looting and you hear helicopters and stuff. But thankfully nobody I know has been affected by things. And from what I hear, like nothing in any city has really gone into like residential areas. So thank you. I'm safe. I'm trying to stay safe. I found out today that our local grocery store is closed. So in like a week when I need to do groceries, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do there. Maybe they'll be open again by then, but we'll see. Just outside of Buffalo now. Ooh, okay. All right, he's moving around. You should have a main lobby designed area where you put all the silly user data you find. Like MovieOtter is worried about their users. Someone was sure. yeah, right. I'm gonna spend some bucks of that ad money. Like, hey man, we know that somebody's watched Shrek 377 times, and we just want to ask, are you okay? Or do you need help? Do you need a hug? We're sorry if we did something to you. Ooh, Zufo. That's a cool name. How's it going, dude? What's going on? What brings you by? I got a new job. Ooh, and are also in the TypeScript React land? You don't say. Ooh, buddy. I am very excited. I mean, I've been a fan of TypeScript since I first touched it. And honestly, React has grown on me. At first I was like, oh, I don't get this. This is stupid, right? I'm building these components, but there's got to be like business logic in the component, and then this has to do that. And then the more you play with it, the more you get used to it, the more you learn the ins and outs and the quirks, it gets so much better. And now I can't even remember. I can't even think what it would be like to build an app with just like vanilla JavaScript, right? If I just had to use like jQuery again to build a reactive, a functioning kind of like, you know, interactive app, I would be lost. I would have to do so much Googling at all times. Oh, nice. Well, hey, Zufa, I'm glad you listen to the algorithms, right? Hopefully you stick around and you like what you see. You join us here again. For those who don't know, I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday starting at 8 p.m. Pacific. I won't be streaming this Friday. It's anniversary, so I'm gonna be spending the Friday with the girlfriend. We got an Oculus Quest, so I will be living in VR for the rest of my life. All future streams after this week will henceforth be in VR. I don't know how to do that yet, but I will figure it out. I will be playing a buttload of Beat Saber, so if you have any VR games to recommend my way, please do. As long as they start with Beat and end with Saber, I will play them. But I stay for the beard. Nice. That'd be it, man. You know what's funny? There's like, I feel like bearded dev streamers are like a weird grouping, right? Like a weird community. Like I feel like so many are like bearded and they develop and they stream, and I'm just like, oh, this is my people. I didn't know I was missing a community until I found them. A real Twitch lord will celebrate on stream. You're right. And she does stream. So maybe I can talk her into streaming some stuff later on. Full of those learning quirks at the moment. Yeah, dude, it happens. Zufo, thank you so much. Oh man, I'm glad I impressed you so much already. I'm really losing my challenge here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get through both tickets, but I will try. All right. Ooh, using VR for cardio. How are you doing that? Like, do you have a stationary bike or something? Dude, wait a minute. I need to buy none of these fancy Pelico biking machines. I can just get the little stand, you put your bike on it, put on my VR goggles, and then boom, I have a stationary bike system, and I can bike through the Alps and around lakes, between river. I don't know. I could bike underwater if I want. I could bike on the moon. Holy crap! We just fixed fitness, guys. We just figured out how to make fitness fun for not really cheap, but cheaper than one of those fancy machines. I'll tell you that. Okay, movie core list. We gotta update our movie list. And actually, the thing that we need to update. Ooh, where is it? I think it'll be around here. Let's see, get, and then core user. Because basically our user already has the same function, and we are gonna steal it. We're gonna steal it and copy it and make it our own. Boom, Algolia object. Let's see. Get Algolia object. Ooh, a user Algolia object. Here we go. Copy, paste this. I love stealing from my own code. It's so great. And the best part is the person can't get mad because it's me. Movie list Algolia object extends that, and iMovie list. Cool. The things we want to add into a list that aren't in here. I don't think there's anything. Yeah, I don't think there's really anything in here that we want to get rid of or add on to it. There's stuff that we don't need for sure, but I imagine when you search for a list, you're searching either by the title, the description, or the creator, right? Like the creator ID. So yeah, this can actually just be simplified into equals and type. It's not really an interface. We're not building anything. Cool. That simplifies things quite quite a bit. Movie list, Algolia object. We're gonna copy, paste all of this, and we're gonna copy list ID so that can be the same. What doesn't it like? What? Object literal, what? Object ID list, blah, 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 blah. Is not assignable to type this. Object literal may only specify known properties, and list ID does not. How does it not? I just said it equals. Oh. There we go. Typo. See, this is one of those stupid little quirks. Let's get into the movement. Pistol. Ooh, I heard pistol whip is good actually. Let's see. Half-Life was a suggestion. Gotta try that. I heard it's great stuff. I heard one of the things that I heard was really great about it is right, like it changes the way you approach a situation. Or like I was listening to this podcast and this dude was like, yeah, like, you know, they gave me these grenades and there was too many for me to like put in my little holster, and so I just like kept throwing them down the hall as I was walking, and I would throw them in front of me. And he was like, somebody was like, nah, dude, what you do is you just put them in a bucket and then you carry the bucket like you would in real life. He was like, oh my God, I didn't even think of that. And so I am excited to see just like all the cool ways that the physics system just allows you to be in that game, right? So yeah, I am excited for that. Let's see what else. Welcome, Isaiah is one of my absolute favorite people. Oh, thank you, Ryan the Warrior, my friend Ryan. That sounds like a hit '90s show. My friend Ryan. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. I don't know. I feel like it would be fun if you had Easter eggs. If you click, yeah, no, I definitely wanna make some put some Easter eggs in. That's actually, was it on stream already? There was already a Easter egg feature sent. I want to brainstorm and see some of the things you do. One of the things I have is like, if you're trying to find a movie, if you insert maybe some certain quotes from a movie, then we do something fancy or fun. I don't know, something along those little things all around the app. Ooh, Molson. That sounds like you sound like a very suave man. You sound like you have a nice, rich, deep voice. Control. All right. Control's easy. I definitely didn't get that wrong. My streak is back up there, baby. It's like 4 or 5 deep right now. Bike through Google Earth or something. Yeah, Zufa. There has to be. All right, pistol whip. I gotta try pistol whip. That's on the list. Catching up with stream a little bit. Let's see. I don't feel like it's fun if yep, read that. Cool. Sweet. Arizona sunshine. When I was being overrun by zombies, I grabbed a grenade and held it to the That's my final stand. Oh my God. But thank both of you guys for the follows. Control escape. What? I don't want to hit that. What happens when I hit that? Are you trying to hack my stream, sir? What are you doing? I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna press it. I'm not gonna click anything you just said. You sir are trying to take control. Oh, wait a minute. Gotcha. You're explaining your name. I caught it. I'm a slow learner here, but we're good. We're good. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Okay. See, I can get with that. That's a name that you have to put like thought into. That sounds like one of those which I would really love to do this. I've had this idea. I know I'm just going on tangents left and right. I had this idea that I thought would be really cool. So I work at this gaming company, IGN.com, right? If you go there, you'll see a bunch of work. Our amazing writers and talented people are doing tons of great stuff there all the time, right? Yada yada, great place. Go there, check it out. But we are not the only gaming company, right? And obviously there are tons of, there's, you know, Kotaku, there's GameSpot. Yes, there's, I think, Waypoint, I guess they changed their names. There's Wirecut. There's a whole bunch of different, like, these tech media outlets, right, that interact with games and stuff like that. I've always had the idea that I think it would be so cool if we did, like, a cross-brand, like, gaming scavenger hunt, right? Where, like, you have to follow clues, but the clues lead you to, like, other websites, and, you know, the things that maybe they wrote, or in their review there was a line they used and there was a code, or like in a screenshot somewhere else, you know, you have to take a code from a game in a screenshot and put it into this other secret page on another site. Like, I mean, obviously it can be very, very convoluted and complicated, but I always just like the idea of, it'd be cool if, like, I don't know, if we work together to make some cool stuff sometimes, you know? Like, obviously every company is looking out for their bottom line and trying to be the best they can be and stuff like that, but I just think it'd be cool if, I know other industries do it all the time, where competitors come together for, like, periodic times of just, like, fun and excitement and sharing and stuff like that. So call your local gaming company and tell them you would like that, if that sounds good. Okay, let's see. We made this small change. This is very, very small change, right? There's only literally, like, only this one file, and it was only like 3 or 4 things here. We need to push this up. MovieOtter core npm pub patch. Okay, I broke something. I'm in the wrong npm run pub patch. That would help if I actually type the right command. Man, these are getting easier to pronounce. The next name, I know, right? I know. He really threw me for a loop on that one. I'm not gonna lie. That reminds me of the Alt 4 days. Yeah. Oh yeah. I have an idea for a web app, and my manager gave me the go ahead to work on it in my free time. I'm trying to see the best way to make a proof of concept site. Dude, that sounds awesome. If it's a proof of concept, go basic. Go. If you can, don't even, like, worry about hosting it or anything. Like, fake it. If you were just trying to build something that gets the point across, go as low, as quick and dirty as you can do it. That is my suggestion. That is my unsolicited advice. But yeah, it's a good spot to be in. Yeah. Learning in my spare time. Been on the job. Was it? Yeah, dude, I've learned so much coding on the job. Just because every job is different too, right? Like, sometimes you just don't know what you need to know until you get assigned it, right? I think that's a weird, not misconception, but just thing that people don't realize, especially with, like, programming. Like, it's not like doctors, right? Like, sure, you know, there are things a doctor won't experience until they're actually in, like, an ER room, right? But a doctor pretty much has to know everything before they make it into the ER room, right? They can't be like, oh, yeah, that's the spleen. Oh, yeah, that's right, that does go there. No, they have to, like, know that stuff. A programmer, we can learn so much on the job. It's ridiculous. It's incredible when you think about it, actually. Just how much you can actually get away with knowing or learning on the job. Let's see, npm run up core. We're gonna update our core function, which we just did. Can't Google spleen exactly. No, you have to know where the spleen is. You have to be able to point to a heart and be like, oh yeah, that's a heart. You know, you have to. You don't have the wiggle room for mistakes. You can't, like, control Z operation. You know what I mean? When you snip this cable, God, one day there'll be cables in us. When you snip this vein or something, like, you gotta know that's the right one. Me, I can type garbage into this file, save it, publish it, undo, save and publish again, and then the world is right again, right? Gotta find them spleens and hearts. Exactly. Okay, we're here. Now, if we go back to our list function, I think we might need to restart our TypeScript server so it can, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. But In the meantime, let's find, there's our functions user file. So we have these two functions to save and delete a user. We call them all the way down here in this very short file on user update. Actually, I don't need the whole thing. I could just copy in the little bits, the little inner bits. Let's see, on list creation, on list deletion, and did I not make an on list update? I guess not. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, I never updated. God, okay. On movie list update, we're doing this stuff. Let's copy, paste this stuff. And beauty of it is that just like in the other one, there's not a lot we really need to care about. Update takes a change function, or it gives you a change. Cool. Save movie list, or did I just call it list? I think I just called it list. Yep. Save list, Algolia object. Say delete list, Algolia entry. This user is going to be not that. Let's see. List. Actually, we can kill two birds with one stone. List created or updated. A list is deleted. What color scheme am I using in VS Code? Mr. Wise Owl. That's a cool one. I can do you one better. So I guess to answer your question, oh man, what is it? Is it theme? Is it no? Is it theme? Yes. Let's see. Yeah, I think that was actually it. Preferences, blah blah blah. Material theme, pale night, high contrast. If you want to get really technical, that is the one I'm using. But to make it maybe a little bit easier for you, I have a gist with all my stuff actually. But no, that's not what I want. How do I? No, that's not what I don't want to do. What? Stop it. Your gist. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here's my VS Code extensions. Oh, I don't want this to be secret. Can I make it public? How do I edit? Make public. Boom. Okay. Boom. You can go there. You can see not only my theme, not only my icon set, but also all of the Visual Studio, VS Code extensions that I use. So if anything I do, you're like, hey, my VS Code doesn't do that. Why? How make? The way I do that is probably somewhere in this list. So check it out. Definitely check it out. I think it's pretty cool. I broke my website. Great. We'll worry about that later. Oh, and thank you. AIZ codes. I'm gonna go with A's codes. I don't think you pronounce it AIZ codes. Okay. Final guess. I'm gonna go with A's. Almost as if it was like multiple A's, like pluralized A's codes. Let me know if I said it right. I think I did, but we will see. Let's see. Is the backend Node.js for this? Yeah, Molson. You're right. Also Zufu. Both of you are correct. It is a Firebase Cloud Functions backend, and within that, I'm writing Node code to run on Firebase's service, Google service. So yes, you are both correct there. And color scheme, yeah, boom, answered that. So far, so good. We're doing good here. Baked potato. I remember how much fun I used to have hopping into some knockoff stream website and playing all the knockoff games with most knockoff names and most knockoff graphics. Oh my god. I can just picture you writing, like, I could picture you after like the second knockoff, you just copied it so that you could just control V it everywhere. Yeah, those are good times though. I miss web games. I miss like finding I got it. Yes, the stream continues. The streak continues and the stream, I guess. Technically both. Had a chat command for all that. Yeah. Oh, well, hey, boom. You're right. You, my friend, are right. That is exactly what I need to do. And we're gonna add it here to the list of to-dos. Just boom. We'll get to it. I should just knock this out tonight. Maybe after this. I didn't, technically, I don't know if I committed to what 2 tickets I would do. So technically we can finish indexing MovieList, right? And then we can work on this commands ticket, get all those commands in, and boom, that's 2 tickets done in one day. And I will have been victorious in my self-proposed challenge. I know, Molson. Yeah, none of these commands are in. They're all the ones I gotta do, unfortunately. I got one in. You could check out our Discord. Boom, just like that. But all the other ones aren't in yet. We're still working on those. Okay, why? Yes, this is what I was gonna do. So a lot of this data is actually gonna be exactly the same. In fact, most, if not all of this data is gonna be exactly the same. So let's see. Let's grab const user data, turn that into crap. I copied the wrong thing. Const user data. Let's go list data, right? Instead of a MovieOtter user data, MovieOtter movie list. I don't know why it's upset by that. Oh wait, I think because technically it's iMovieList. There we go. Let's see. Const user. Const list. That's easy. MovieOtter user from document is going to be MovieList. MovieList from document. List data. List. Dot. Goalie object. Boom. Boom. Oh, wait, no. I don't need to do that there. I just passed in the regular list. All that other stuff gets saved. Boom. Cool. I think this is good to test. How do you guys, what do you guys think? How do you like Club? Yeah. Man, sometimes the links, they catch the link, sometimes they don't. I gotta also fix my stream chat apparently. But yeah, I like Clubhouse. I've started using it with this project, the MovieOtter project that I'm working on, and so far I like it. It's very clean, right? They have the apps, which I basically, if can use it on an iPad and use it on my desktop or laptop, that's generally good enough for me. Phone is like a bonus, but even then I don't need to use something like this on a phone. So far so good. I like the tools they have. I like the organization. I like that they have a dark mode, right? That's really helpful for the eyes, especially when I'm working on stuff late at night. As you can see, my screen is generally pretty dark. My whole stream setup is generally fairly dark. But Yeah, I like it. I definitely recommend it. The free tier is good enough for me as a solo indie hacker, so no problems there. Overall, I give it a big thumbs up. Definitely check it out. And for, I guess I could have just typed this in, but let me get the full link. Boom. For those who don't know, we're talking about my project management software that I'm using for this project, Clubhouse.io. It's worth it. I like it. And Iris Technologies. Hey, how's it going? Oh wait, is that a Flash joke? Is it Iris like, or is it just Iris like the eye, like eye technologies? Either way, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? My brain just exploded. All of the Easter eggs should be linked, one unlocking after the last, eventually leading to the hardest to find, which has some hacked page with nothing that anticipates you. Oh man, that would be so bad, but also so worth it. What? Oh my god, this name is up there with vape juice. I can't even say vape juice's name without laughing. Big Booty Snatcher, thank you so much for the follow. Every time I think you can't top this name, right? There's no way that it can get any better. Somebody comes in with a better name. How's it going? I love that Streamlabs auto comments a thank you. Thank you for the follow, Big Booty Snatcher. Yes, thank you. Big thanks. Ooh. All right, I feel like this is another, you're trying to trick me here again. SC Tam. Skatam. Oh man. That's hard. I'm gonna go with, I think your name is like Sam Custard Tam. No, really? Just SC Tam. Okay, yeah, I was right. Boom. Yeah, initials and last name. Got it. We are on a roll. I really need to figure out how to make like a stream widget so we can count how many names I get right in a stream. I would absolutely love that. Stream Hall of Fame, anyone? I know that. Oh, dude, that would be a really good one. Oh, can we? I mean, I'll throw it on the list. We'll see what happens. But Hall of Fame, or just Hoff? Probably just Hoff. I don't know. Or maybe both. Hall of Fame. We can have aliases that just do the same thing. Best names that have come on stream. Boom. It's on the list. It's on the list. That means we'll have to do it. My version of on a roll is very different. What, 4 success, 5 successes, 6 succeeds isn't a on the roll. Like, I don't pride myself in my spelling, all right, or pronunciation, or any use of the English language actually. So the fact that I can get any of these names correct is a win, and I will celebrate. All right, cool. Okay. No, we can get by without having to update Algolia entries when you add a movie. That would be just way too much then. Yeah, that would be way too much. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. Okay, but this is done. Let's go ahead and deploy this. npm run deploy dev, and then we'll pull up Algolia, and then we'll just make an edit to one of our lists and see if it saves. And that'll be how we debug it, how we test it. I like that. Let's see. Oh, baked potato is a great. The fact that I have not only a vegetable, I guess, are potatoes vegetables, or are they like technically like a root? So I think they're not vegetables, right? But the fact that I have cooked and edible thing in my chat definitely puts you on the list. Potatoes are, oh, Tam, you don't have a kappa there, so I don't know if you're lying or not. And I am not a smart man, so, okay. Okay, I 100% would believe you. It's like the whole, like, a tomato, right? Is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable? It's a fruit because it has seeds, but it's a vegetable because they're gross. It's, you know, it kind of just falls down that hole. Does Firebase host this app too? Yes. Let's see. We actually are using all of Firebase's service for this. Firebase's services. We're using their authentication setup. We're using their databases. We're using the storage to hold like files for our users, our people, our movie, like actors and actresses and stuff like that. We're using it to host our website across I think Firebase actually uses Fastly. So technically our is stored and hosted the files on Firebase, but then they deploy it out to their Fastly CDNs all around the globe. So delivery should be nice and quick anywhere you are. Serverless backend, the stuff that I was literally just writing, we just actually deployed this. In fact, we can look at our logs and see all of these are deploy logs. We just deployed these to the serverless backend. And we don't use MLKit. I'm not fancy enough to start using machine learning, though I would love to learn. I would love to play around with some machine learning. I think that'd be really cool. If anyone knows, if anyone has any ideas of how that works, let me know, because that sounds really cool. Okay, so that's deployed. Let's run so we can update our code, our core code here in the web. And then we'll plot this over side by side. We'll make a change and see if the list actually gets made here. Potatoes are mammals. Well, that I know is a lie, sir. They are considered starches, as I, of course, would know. Yes, you should know. You should know the history of your people, your culture, you know? I would hope you know. Cool. Well, yes. Andrew, I saw you post before. I didn't say, hey, how's it going? Thank you for stopping by as well. Firewise is awesome. Much easier than Amplify. AWS is peddling. I honestly, if I'm gonna be very honest with you guys, all of AWS scares me. The reason I use Firebase is not because of the free tier, although the free tier is very nice, right? It's not because I think AWS is expensive, because it's not. I actually think it's very, very cheap. And it's not because I think something like Netlify is, you know, complicated. At least like overly complicated or all of that. Everything I looked up says that no, it's totally easy. I'm just scared of messing up any of those things, right? Like I tried playing around with Elastic Beanstalk. As soon as you open AWS's console, right, it's like a wall of fear just pops up behind me, like in front of me. Everything I see is like, okay, if I hit this button, I'm gonna get charged $1,000 because I'm gonna start a server with maximum settings and I'm not gonna know how to stop it. If I hit this button, I'm gonna take down half of the websites on the earth because somehow misconfigure a machine and then it's gonna blow up a data center. And I just don't wanna go over here because I don't know what any of these words mean. Everything in AWS has a code name, which I think is cool if you know the code names. But if you don't, like me, then it's just fear. Everything you see is like there's 80 billion different things that I can mess up. Yeah, I really want to learn AWS. I think that's just being in the industry, right? I think you should have some experience with AWS since a lot of people use it. We use it at my day job. But it's just so scary. There's so much there that you could mess up and there's no guidance through any of it. And when they try like Elastic Beanstalk is supposed to be their competitor to Heroku, more or less, right? I'm not gonna say Firebase because Firebase really gives you, if you would have to combine Beanstalk with other things to get a Firebase equivalent. Or maybe it is Amplify. Maybe that is literally what I just said. It's Beanstalk plus other things that make it super simple. But for like the longest time, you know, Beanstalk was supposed to be the thing that saves me. It's supposed to, you know, I don't need Heroku anymore. Heroku, amazing. I love Heroku. It's super easy. You add this thing and it's easier than Firebase, and Firebase is incredibly easy, right? Sorry if I'm yelling. I know I get really excited. Let me turn my mic down. But all that to say, even Beanstalk, right? They don't tell you how to do anything. They just say, here's a thing, have at it. You go to resources, you get these random docs, you go to code samples, this takes you to somewhere else. And I will admit, this site looks good, but like I can't even have to start a tutorial. And even in the tutorial, okay, this doesn't even take me to like a nice interface. This takes me to just documents that I stepped through. Like AWS, I guess when you're the leader, you don't need to be good at like UX or onboarding or anything like that, because people like go out of their way to learn the tool, right? It's like Photoshop, industry standard, right? But if you don't know Photoshop, learning Photoshop sucks. My God, learning how to use Photoshop is a nightmare. Learning how to use pretty much almost any Adobe product is a nightmare, but especially Photoshop. And I don't know why. I guess like when you are the big dog and when you're the big fish in a small pond, you can just do that. You can just do what you want and other people will conform. So scary, so scary. One day I'll learn it. One day that could be like a cool thing to do on stream, but it won't happen today. I'm already struggling getting through this one thing. Okay, our server's running. Also, oh my God, thank you. Ooh, Krillis, that's a cool name. That's a really cool name. It's like Krillin, except not a terrible DBZ character. Not terrible, he's just weak. And also a little terrible once he grew hair. I didn't like him anymore after that. But how's it going? Thank you for joining us. Thank you for following. Hopefully you're having a good time still. I'm surprised somehow, but we're here. Okay, I should already be logged in. Log in. Nope, I wasn't logged in. You guys can't see my super secret password. No hacking me today. Well, maybe you will. Boom. Yeah. Does anybody know what this is? Crap, it went away. But like every site I go to has that little thing. Let's see if we can load it up again. Sure, okay, yada yada. If I go to like, I don't know, pricing or somewhere where they would prompt you if you have questions. I want the little, like so many websites have the little like, oh, do you need help? Message one of our support staff and we'll be there. Here we go. Dang it. I got rid of it. I didn't mean to. Also, their site is super not mobile friendly. Holy crap. It is. Maybe it's me. I'm gonna say it's me. Hold on. Yeah, I don't think that even, there we go. There we go. Okay. If we, let's duplicate so we get a new session. Right, if we're on this site, I want the little thing to pop up. Come on, pop up, little thing. Do it, do it, do it. I know you're here. I know you're listening. And now it's not gonna pop up. But if any, Ash Mapu. Wait a second. Hold on 1 second. Let's. Okay. Hash, if you could drop that in chat again, it should show up. It's anti-mobile at that point. Yeah. Nice rant there, but I know, I'm sorry. I just get so emotional. So emotional by the things that I can't easily learn. No, you guys said you wouldn't hack me. You promised. You guys promised. Oh, you were giving me some alternatives to Photoshop. Yeah, honestly, try GIMP. I haven't tried Affinity Photo. I've tried Krita. Sorry, I'm doing this off stream, which is not at all clear for you guys. Basically, he dropped this photo to Alternative 2, which honestly I think is a really cool tool. I'm actually kind of bummed I didn't come up with this idea. But yeah, I've tried a lot of these, but the thing is, like, they're not, unfortunately, they're not the industry standards, right? Which is just the way that things are, right? Like, if I wanted to get a job or work on a project with like a bunch of other people, chances are we would need to use some tool that is all the same or similar, or like use, interactive with each other. Unfortunately, that tool, chances are, is going to be Photoshop. Okay, so what should happen is I will save this. I'll hit save right here. Also, let's open this up in mobile, because we do have a mobile responsive site. I should hit save, right? That function's gonna trigger. It's gonna add an entry into Algolia, and then we should see it pop up here. Now, maybe none of that will happen, because what is this? Oh, that's something else totally. I'm not gonna worry about that. If I go to indices, okay, still not there. We can check Firebase, check our functions, see if the function fired. That would help. Oh no, we got an error. API error. Record acquisition is too big. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay. We're gonna need to basically, what this is saying is that for Algolia, they have limits to how big of a data object you can send them. And if in our list, we're trying to send the most recent movies that have been added, because that's just a default thing. Like, that's a default piece of data that we store. So it looks like we're gonna have to cut that out in order to shrink the size a little bit, which is okay. That is a-okay. That is more than fine. Let's do that. And that isn't like incredibly difficult, right? The biggest thing we need to do is probably just create a new type here. And this now is going to be an interface extender. Interface, MovieList Algolia object. We're going to just build a new type right here. So we'll have list ID, string. We'll have title, string. We'll have description, string. We'll have updated at, yeah, that'll be a string. Let's see, updated at, which I guess technically it'll be a date by that point. Cool. Man, how come on YouTube you like double your subscriber count and views on a video stream in like a couple of hours, but on Twitch some streamers get 1/100th of their follower count per stream? Yeah, I don't know. It's all, yeah. I mean, not bots, but definitely like algorithms, And I think, and I'm trying to learn this myself. So please, honestly, if you guys have any advice, again, everything I do here on stream, the reason why I'm streaming me trying to build this product is because I want to do it out in the open. I want to do it with you guys, your involvement, have everyone here to help out, to give recommendations, to let me know when I mess up and what I can do better. But all that said, if there's anything I'm doing on this stream that you don't like or that you would like to see, let me know. If you are somebody who ends up checking out the archives that I upload to YouTube, let me know what I can do. Maybe I can trim the fat in those and make them better. But to get back to the conversation, Potato, I think the issue is that it's kind of hard to take stream content and put it on YouTube and expect it to work, and vice versa, right? Like if you do something on YouTube, that doesn't mean that it's going to be successful on Twitch. If you do something on Twitch, that doesn't mean that it's going to be successful on YouTube, right? Those are two very different things, because those communities, I think, just really, you know, want and cater to different things. Obviously, thank you so much, Russ Jr. Thanks for the follow. I think the thing that I'm struggling with, right, is I very much enjoy my stream, and I think that you guys enjoy it too, right? A lot of you guys come back. I consider you regulars. I consider you friends. You make it very, very welcoming to come back, right? And you make streaming better because of that. The thing that I think is hard for YouTube, though, is that you really don't get that back and forth, right? Like it's usually you upload something in a shorter amount of time, right? Like a successful YouTube video is much shorter, infinitely shorter than a successful streamer's like stream session, right? Successful YouTube video, 4-5 minutes maybe. Streams could be hours long in order to get like really great numbers and really great like interactions and stuff like that. So first of all, I think just like the form of the content is should and will be just vastly different when you compare, you know, the successful versions of each platform. I also think that it's very easy if you are a streamer going to YouTube, and I'm at fault for this as well. It is very easy to be lazy in your conversion from Twitch to YouTube, right? What I found very recently that just taking your streams and uploading them to YouTube doesn't work, right? Generally, people don't go to YouTube to look at 2 and 3 hour long videos, like I just mentioned. So you have to like then put the time in to maybe cut those streams down, find the best funnier moments, maybe make a montage out of those, and then upload that. And that can be very successful, right? Like people can vibe with that. You'll see that happen with like tons of big YouTubers, right? They stream, but their videos on YouTube aren't generally just their streams, unless they are doing it as like a show or something like that. It's usually like clips from their week streams cut, so you see only the best parts, and then they upload that, and then boom. Did we stream until like 5 in the morning? We did. Oh my god, dude. Hey guys, I have oh yes. Okay, I have a very important question for chat. I'm gonna drop it in, and I just want you to vote. Okay. Okay, no additional votes. We're gonna set the timer for 3 minutes, 5 minutes. And we'll come back to it. Okay? Okay. I don't know how this works. Oh, there's a current poll up top. I want you to please click it. I want you to please click it and vote. You are welcome, Pat. And just let me know what you think. Yeah, long form stuff doesn't work there. People don't like it. Cool. We gotta fix this error. We gotta make this data. I guess updated that is gonna be good enough. Creator display name. I think that's useful. Actually, I guess we might as well do ID. String the creator username. Let's also flatten all this information. String creator display name. It's gonna be a string. Everyone sharing their opinion. Me, what that? Yeah. What? That you? Oh my god! You guys didn't know that was each other. Ryan the Warrior and Cerebral 3D are both my real life friends from Buffalo, who apparently didn't know each other in chat, or at least Ryan didn't know Cerebral. It's pretty funny. That is pretty funny. Let's see here. If I bring some of these things around. Okay. So far, so good. Moving and we're grooving. Okay. Can you guys think of anything else that a user would maybe search for? I can't. I don't think any other. Yeah, I don't think any other of this information would matter now. Eventually, when we add like, likes to a movie or stuff like that, obviously we would want to like surface and filter or sort, I guess, like any search results based on like the popularity of how many people have copied it, how many people have cloned the list or added onto it, or yada yada. But we don't have that information now, so this I think would be a very good start. Whoa. No, okay, I saw. All right, let's read it. Let's take a moment for our good friend Baked Potato here, and let's read the prophecy. Potato is a plant tubber. What? That's not a real word. You're lying to me already. With a little eaten leaf that can be represented with only everything. What? Oh, that can be prepared with only everything. I would like you to share the history of achievement of the potato. We have pioneered early humans. Yes. Yes, that is a great prophecy. That is really great. Honestly, I'm still amazed at how much potatoes go with literally everything. Okay, list ID, the title, the description, the last time it was updated, the creator, the creator's username, the creator's display name, and I guess we could also do creator's photo URL. Which I think is optional, right? Oh no, that's a real thing. That's got to be there. Okay. Is there anything else here? ID, username? Nope. Yeah, I think that's. Oh, I guess count maybe. That could be cool. Maybe we could display how many things are in the list when we show the results. And I think if we try to do much more than that, it'll start yelling at us. We might be able to get away with. Actually, we could fetch the list on the server side or on the client side. So this is going to be more than enough information for us to get started. Cool. Then we just need to update this to better reflect all these changes. So we have the title. We care about when it was updated. We care about the count. We care about the creator ID. All this other garbage. Get out of here. Creator display name. This dot creator dot display name. Basically, just copy that twice. Instead of this, gonna be username, creator username, not user ID, username, and instead of display name, it was photo URL. Photo. Boom. Okay. We got to do our whole little song and dance again. The thing I hate to do all the time. Publish this patch, then we'll update our functions, then we'll update our web stuff, and we'll see if that fixes things. We'll see if that brings us back to the good graces of the developer gods. Hopefully they will be pleased and they will not be angry with us anymore. functions. Yeah, there we go. npm run, update our core module, get the latest and greatest code that we just published. Pronounce tuber. Silly mortals. Yeah, that's not true. I never ignore chat. Only when I'm lost in deep focus and I ignore chat do I ignore chat. I take offense to that, sir. Go save mode, dude. If real life had a save mode, like if you could save real life, is that what you mean? There's, oh man, there's like the really good what's his name? What is his name? He's this really funny comedian dude. It's gonna bother me that I can't think of his name. You guys can see and make fun of all my just trashy YouTube history. What is his name? Oh, here we go. Caleb City. Yes, there's a very, very funny Caleb City skit video. Caleb City save, quick save. I guess just probably quick save. It's gonna be enough. If you learn how to quick save in real life, this is a good video. I'm dropping this in chat. Oh, Sage mode. God, well, you just sent me on a really long tangent accidentally, but you should still watch that video because I find it hilarious. Okay, everything's updated here. Everything's updated there. We can restart our local dev server. No, wait, actually, before we do that, we need to update our code. Pull the latest and greatest, and then run it again, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, man, I mean, hey, how do you know we can't all go Sage mode, all right? Have you sat motionless under a waterfall for however many hours it took him? Maybe we can. We just don't know. We just have to believe. You gotta believe it. And you can go Sage mode too. Let's see. Let's see here. I'm trying to fix my setup here. It's all over the place over here. Okay. What do you guys think? What are the chances that everything we just did works out perfectly the first time, or well, second time, and there's no more issues and everything just works flawlessly? I think it's pretty high. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty confident that it's gonna work now exactly beautiful. Okay, so let's go into edit mode, ignore these errors. I'll fix those later. Those are for future Isaiah to worry about. Man, yeah, that's I guess idiot could be a bad word. Like, can be very harmful, and people can just start throwing that around everywhere. That was a solid vid. Yeah, it's real. If I could do that, yeah, that'd be me. Okay, we saved it. Let's see if our function runs. And after our function runs, what? What time is it? No, this is old. Wait, did our functions not? Did we not deploy our functions? Hold on, what? Did I? Oh man, I saved them and I never. Yeah, I updated them, but then I never deployed them again. Silly me. What? Oh no, I tried. Okay. Just me being silly again. Me all over the place. Doing things wrong. Nothing new here, all right? Still the same old me. Mistake after mistake. Gotta stay hydrated. I want a hydrate or dihydrate command. That'd be pretty cool. Also, Oh, I would really love to steal something I saw other streamers do, which is just like stretch times. Oh, because I get real stiff standing for like 3 hours. Yeah, yeah, we should do a stretch or something every time we're deploying code, right? Or like we're waiting on something to compile or a server to start up or something like that. I think it'd be really cool and beneficial to maybe adopt that. Oh, did you guys hear that? Oh my god, did that get picked up on the mic? Oh, I just saw stars. Oh, oh boy. That was real good. Not stealing if you just do it. You're right. You are right. It is not stealing if you just do it. Okay. Okay, now our new functions are all deployed, which is fantastic. Let's go to live view. Okay. So now let's pull up Algolia. Let's go over here. Let's actually refresh the page. Make sure everything's fine. Okay. If we save, boom. It did go through a save on the UI. Let's see if the function triggers. Maybe not. Who knows? No one knows. Oh my god, why is it taking forever? There we go. Boom. Okay. Function trigger. Execute it. Okay. So if I refresh this page, we should see dev movie list. Yes. Yes. Get out of here. You pop up. Boom. This is what I like to see. We get the title. We get the description. Updated at. Count. Number of movies. All that information is here. Beautiful. Beautiful. If I wanted to search at Isaiah, cool, that pops up. Nice. All right. We're now indexing all the lists as we make them. And I guess just to be safe, let's actually let's make a list and delete it just to make sure it goes through the right process. List to delete. A dumb list. And sure, we'll add, what's a dumb movie? Dumbo. That's not really a dumb movie, but it's got dumb in the name, so we'll go with the new one too. We're not gonna disrespect the old one, the OG. But cool. All right, we added this. List to delete, it's a dumb list, it's got Dumbo in it. We save it, boom, that saves. If we go over here, in fact, we imported the movie. Okay, that's correct. Along with the cast and everything else in there. Cool. But if we go back here now, sweet. Okay, we have a dumb list. It's got a count of 1. All that stuff is going there. Okay, now, what's a dumb movie? Dumbo. Yeah, exactly. That's my thought process. Okay, and there's no way to actually delete a movie or delete a list yet. That's something I should probably add to the UI. But we can just go directly into our database and delete it from there. So once we have this movie list, we go to this one, dumb list. Okay, cool. Yep. We can just straight up delete this document. It's gone. And then that should have fired another thing in the function. Let's just check and see if it did here. On movie list update. Okay. Yep. Oh, on movie list. Movie cannot read property created at undefined. When? Oh, wait. I don't need created at. Why am I trying to get created at? So did it not? It probably didn't delete the thing then. No, both movies are still in here. Interesting. Okay. Let's I guess technically we don't need this working yet because you can't delete any list, but we should probably still get it working. I think it's on update. I think it's here where we're trying to get can't read property created at of undefined. App function from document. So within here, it's trying. If we go to core movie list, oh god, no. If we open the file core movie list, the from document here is trying to get created at of data that was passed in, but the data doesn't exist because we deleted it. Yeah. Okay. But I would have assumed that this handles that just fine. I guess what we could do, oh, you know what? I think maybe update runs after the deletion has like propagated through, and so the before has nothing in it. Interesting. Well, I guess we could just do it here. Yeah. Let's just pull this logic up. Yeah, let's just pull this logic up. I actually don't know if on update should run on any change, but that is something I can look into later. I guess I won't bother doing it now. So I don't need a list. Also, this comment is wrong. Let's see. Movie list deleted. And this would be movie list changed. Mr. Wise Owl, thanks so much for the follow. I'm glad you are having fun. I'm over here wrecking my brain of how I broke things. But I'm happy I could be entertaining to you. Why? I guess also technically these could probably just be strings. Which would mean this can just be list ID. Just delete the object that has the list ID. Okay, so far so good. So this would be data dot list ID, right? And then let me in our Algolia, we are the object ID and the list ID is the same. Okay. That's good at least. That is correct still. What is going on here? There we go. Okay, we could try this. Let's deploy this. And we'll try this here. I need to make another list. Let's go to list. Let's create a new list. Dumb list 2. back. Cool. Let's add a movie. What happens if we get Dumb and Dumber? Boom. Yep, that's a good one. That's a solid one. I'm proud of that. Okay, importing the movie. I guess I'll wait just to make sure that these all go up just fine. But in theory, I should be able to do this and just the old functions will trigger. But I'll wait just to be safe, just to make sure we're using the latest functions. Okay, save. So that, unless we really broke things, that should trigger the function to submit it. There should be 3 records in here. Okay. Also, this one is garbage. We know this one is... Yeah, we know this one is done. We can delete that. Who cares about it? Okay. So we have dumb list 2, blah, 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 yada, yada. Great. Okay. If we now go to this list, get out of here. And we delete this list. Then we go to our functions, just to make sure we don't get any bad logs. Maybe. On movie, why is it still? Cannot read property created out of undefined. What? Crap. What is it trying to... Also, okay, hold on. This is... on this. Oh, this is something totally different. On movie list removed. On movie list deleted. Okay. That's fine. That is a... Okay, I know what's going on. When we delete the list, it also deletes any movies that are in the sub-collections below it. And there's triggers set up for those sub-collections to decrement and increment lists based on the list that they're under, but that's now gone. So that wouldn't be there anymore. All this to say, let's add a to-do. Check if parent list exists before decrementing count. Okay, that's all that means. But the good news is that it looks like our function before is still fired. So if we refresh, we only have one thing here, which makes me think maybe it was working before and I was just misunderstanding the error. In fact, let's just look back at the error and see. Yeah, on movie list, movie removed. But technically before, the least deletion thing was working just fine. So all the changes we just made, literally just made, don't need them. So let's copy this comment so we can add it back in later. Oh God, I went too far. Okay, I think that's good. On movie removed, this is where we have to put our to-do. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be fine then. Perfect. I was too ambitious. I got too ahead of myself. The things are fine now. Let's go ahead and redeploy this again one more time, one last time, and then we should be good. And then we just work on the UI, which is gonna be the fun part. And by fun, I mean, I hope it's fun. Cool. Let's see. Well, thankfully, I actually think it should be pretty simple because it's gonna be very, very similar to our movies page, which has like search functionality and all that kind of stuff. Lists, pages, cool. Oh, you know what this is? This is what we can do? Oh man. Yeah, we'll just build it all into the same component. It's gonna be gross and ugly, and I'm gonna need to refactor later, but it's not the only thing we're gonna have to refactor, so. Rebound state. Use debounce. Come on, debounce state. I think I did present tense. Okay, it's not yelling at me, which is a good sign. That means it was right. Okay. Movies page. Let's see. I'm gonna have this movie search result logic. Let's just copy that as well. Again, I'm plagiarizing myself. Someone call the cops on me because it's just gonna be copy pasting my own work here. Snipe Show, how's it going, dude? I'm doing pretty good. Pretty good. Staying safe, staying healthy. I've actually been getting out and doing going for walks and stuff. I wanna tomorrow sometime actually I'm gonna go in the closet and dig out my bike. The weather is getting really nice, so I think I might try to do some morning bike rides, get a little exercise for the day. I haven't ridden my bike in like a year actually, so gonna bounce, dude. Yeah, it's pretty late for you, dude. I'm glad you stayed here this long, Ryan. It was great catching up with you. I'm glad to have you in chat. It was super fun. Yeah, glad you were able to stick around, dude. You have a safe time. Have a good time. Get some sleep. Eat some delicious food when you can. For me, I miss all the food in Buffalo. It's very delicious. Oh well, maybe next week. Reasons why you should always watch Naruto with subtitles instead of dubbing. Oh my god, baked potato. One, everyone either gains or loses 10 years of age. 2, people just sound so corny and stupid at times. 3, Donzo lives just as long. 4, the dubbing is only a little better than Dragon Ball Z. Oh man, yeah. I don't think I've ever watched really any Naruto with that was dubbed. Mostly it was always subtitled. Yeah. Ooh, that sounds good. See you, dude. And C films, yes, we are gonna rename things. Once we have it working, right? The whole thing is what is it? Here it is. Our whole quote, the whole way we're approaching this is to make it work and then make it better. First, I'm gonna make it work by just copying over the code, and I'll change the variable names, but I'm not gonna do any heavy refactoring. And then later on, after we release the MVP and we celebrate and we have a little bit of downtime, then we'll go back and we'll actually like pull things out into different files and clean up a lot of our stuff. There's a lot of spaghetti code in here that I'm looking forward to being able to replace once we get to that point. Let's see. I guess I can copy this functionality over too. I mean, it's already here, so I might as well. Let's see. Let's actually break this up. At least searching. And then we'll break this into user lists, so we can at least know where to start not copying from again when we get there. Let's see. So we need this. And then we need to take this user effect. Oh, this is a big boy. That is a big meaty boy right there. Okay. Cool. Okay, so far so good. Oh, and you know what? You know what I think we're gonna use a different component to actually display our list here. We're gonna use a list view. So this is a good opportunity for me to play around with that. In Material UI, right? We have this concept of lists already. If we go to components, where is it? Lists. Here we go. You've seen them before. They could be like menus or maybe popovers or stuff like that. A big one is like in a message feed, right? We'll use them there. Probably gonna dip here as well. Been a long couple of days, dude. Yeah, dude. No worries, Snipe Show. See you later, dude. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take some time for yourself if you need it. And we'll see you next stream, dude. See you later. I'm thinking we'll do something similar, literally to this actually. We'll have the user's image on the left side with the title and the description of the list here. And users will be able to click through from there. I'm digging that. Simple approach, simple but effective. I guess it'll look more like this maybe. Cool. Okay, that's what I'm gonna go for, because given the data that we store in the search results and what we get back, we have enough that we can build this out here. So let's see, we're gonna need another state. Doesn't need to be debounced though. Let's have search results. Oh, I'm in the wrong file. Hold on. Oh, I already have that. Boom, look at that. Perfect. Let's see, it'll be list search results and set list search results. It'll be a list of MovieList Algolia objects. Cool. Oh man, Jason J. Phillips. Jason J. Phillips, thank you so much. Great, dude. Welcome. How's it going? Oh, Peak. What's going on? Like the Beavers. Let's get some hypes in chat for the raid. Thank you so much, dude. How goes it? What were you working on? What? I assume you are another dev streamer. What's been going on? How's it going? You just stopping by? Finishing a long dev session? Was it successful? Did you get stuff working? Did you make some bugs? Query string from query string. Okay, cool. Set list search results, and we're gonna just not even worry about really any. Oh, you know what? What might have been a better thing to look at was Dude, I love it. I love the energy. To we're building our channel bot with TypeScript. Well, hey, from one TypeScript developer to another, I'm sorry, because it can sometimes be, yep. That's the kind of response I was expecting. Definitely made some bugs. You know what? I'm hoping that that's definitely did some good work. You know, I asked that question too. So you definitely did some good work. That's good to hear, man. What kind of bot are you guys building? What's the bot do? What's like I don't know, like the text equivalent to a 30-second elevator pitch? Not to like put you on the spot or put any pressure on you or anything, but I'm curious to know. Search list first of all. Did work happen if there's no bugs? I don't know. That's a good question. I don't think so. I think if you're not creating at least 4 bugs a week, you're not a 10x developer, and so you should hang your head in shame. God, I'm sorry. I hate that phrase. A Twitch bot, stage one, simple commands. Okay, stage 2, interactive room control with the chat. Ooh, oh, that sounds really cool. Hue API, some speaker API. Dude, that sounds really dope actually. Do you know what's the API like for Hue bulbs? Like, is it pretty easy to work with? Do you have to like, is it difficult? Because you then technically have to like integrate into your like HomeKit or whatever, you know, ZB or, you know, whatever home automation system you have running. Super simple. Hey, there you go. All right, it's sweet. Also, thank you for the follow, dude. You register with this hub on your network, create a login, and there you go. Sweet. That sounds amazing, actually. Oh my god. I like that. I was gonna say Twisted Metal. You got me. You fooled me. You almost got me. Twisted Mentat. I still said it wrong. Damn it. Twisted Mentat. Thank you so much for the follow, dude. Nice. That'd be dope. I have really lofty dreams for MovieOtter, and it would be honestly really cool to like set up some like Hue integration. Like me, I have some Hue bulbs in my living room, right? I have a little like command. I can tell Siri that it's movie time, and then she like turns off the lights and turns on like the backlight behind the TV. You know, sets up a really nice movie watching experience, right? But it'd be really cool if I could integrate that into the app here, where it's just like, hey, like if I've scheduled that I'm gonna watch this movie at this time, and if I like set the location to home or something like that, maybe it'll just at that time trigger an event that automatically dims the lights and turns on the TV and yada yada, right? I think that'd be pretty cool. You got me. It's all nicely split to routes by hub, by device. Oh, really? Man, that's really cool. Hey, the streak's not broken, all right? The streak is still in full effect. I did not commit. It was a slip of the tongue, okay? Dude, that'd be cool. Is it, would you mind dropping a link in chat to the repo? I can give it a little bookmark and check it out. That sounds cool. I always love seeing like the APIs and stuff that people make too, just because I'm still very new at making APIs. When I get to a repo, okay, we're that early into the state of things. All right, I like it. We are one power outage away from losing this amazing tool that you built. Oh man, that's dangerous. You're playing a dangerous game. I like it. Well, I don't support it, but I do like it. How much time do you think is left for the project to be completed? This one or Jason's? Also, when I read your name, I hope you don't get this a lot, because that would be very, very unfortunate. But the way that like you spell Jason, I can only picture, if you guys have ever played the video game Heavy Rain, you know exactly what I'm about to say. I don't even need to go any further. right? But it's just that one clip of the man looking for his son. He's just screaming, Jason, Jason. And it's just like, because the J and the son is so vivid in your name. That's all I can think of. Yes. Jason. Yeah. Oh yeah. He's an edgy 10x developer. Yeah. He doesn't commit his code. He backs it up to flash drives and stores them so he can have local copies. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I got ahead of myself a little bit here, but that's okay. If we go to users page, this is where, no, yes, okay. We can break things even more. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna have, we're not gonna have that. We're not gonna have loading. We're just gonna have this whole use effect. We are gonna steal it. We're gonna steal it. Oh man. Fine. Well, we're gonna copy paste it. God darn it. Ooh. Here's a sample from the hackathon project. Let's see. From the hackathon project I did with some of my instructional staff. Ooh. Line of code update 3. Clem, you had to come back, didn't you? You just had to, huh? Well, I'll have you know, kind sir, that we've updated more than 3 lines of code. All right, we did a whole 4 plus some other stuff. All right, and we're now checking out this cool project that Jason sent us. He's working on this cool like HuBulb API wrapper, which sounds really cool. As someone who owns HuBulbs, super interested in this. Cool. All right. Beautiful. That's a good name. that is a good name. I like this. Nice. Heck yeah. That sounds dope. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that's an easy one. That's a very easy one. That is clearly Krolanos. It's like the Anos in there almost got me. Because I want to say Anos, like Thanos, but it doesn't roll well with L, so it's got to be Krolanos. Let me know in chat if I said it right. If I pronounced it correctly, Krolanos. I said it 3 times, it's got to be correct. I'm sorry to inform you if that is previously not the way you pronounce it, it is now the way you pronounce it. In particular, this file. Oh, this is a meaty boy. No, that's actually not bad. I like this. That's very small, actually. Oh, cool. Nice. All right. Yeah, dude. Oh, I'm all for this. All right. I'm liking this. I'm gonna poke around with that. I'm gonna poke around with that later. That sounds actually super cool. Man, I would love to do. That could be really cool to get some. Yeah, like having Twitch be able, like this bulb here. I actually have no idea how well this is gonna look out on things. But one of the bulb right over here, it's off stream so you can't see it, is a Hue bulb. But it would be pretty cool if we can give you guys control. You can't. It doesn't work too well. The ceiling is also actually the ceiling is not a Hue bulb. The ceiling is a IKEA smart bulb, and so I don't think I can use this app for it. But all that to say, it'd be pretty dope to add some Twitch integration. I could totally get behind that. That sounds cool. I like that. He got a purple room. It's gonna be super duper. He starts changing the color. Dude, that is one of my big fears, is that I'm gonna like just be super tired and forget to turn off lights or something like that, and then in the background somewhere I just look like I'm having a rave party in my room when I'm really like asleep in the other room. Like all the neighbors are gonna be walking down the street or something thinking I'm having a party. It'd be pretty crazy. Yeah. Oh, I definitely can't give you control, Pat. You'll have me sitting in a red room like I'm some crazy person. Okay, let's copy this file. We're gonna duplicate this really quick. Use list search. We're gonna be real basic with it. We're gonna do more cardinal sin of just find replacing some names. Lists, right? Lists, okay. Movie list Colia object. We're not even gonna try. Not even gonna try to make it any better at all. Okay. In fact, we don't care about any of this. We'll leave the comment just so we can double check it. Set lists to hits. Set lists to empty string, and return lists. Boom, done. Look how easy that was to replicate. Making it super simple. Okay, so that means, oh man, that means all this garbage here we can just get rid of. Yeah, heck yeah. Nice. I guess we'll keep the query here. Oh, yeah. Actually, we can keep the query here, or the use effect that goes off of what do you call it? Our query params up top. There we go. Words are hard, man. Words are so hard. So to copy that, page users, we copy this. Oh, we don't get back query, or we don't return the debounced query, do we? I guess we could. There's no harm in doing that. Sure, let's do it. We'll just return it. We're making it work. Then we'll make it better. Debounce query, and then that should literally be all we need. User list. Let's see. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Sweet. I think that's it. I think that's all we need. The query we'll put in all these other things. And this is going to be lists. And this component is use. Crap. Was it list search? List search from our file. Use list search. Oh, singular list. Dang it. Okay. Cool. So far, so good. Dude, I really want to get some key lights. I want to get the key lights, and I want to get those, like, the stereotypical, like, streamer triangle lights. I don't know what they're called, but everyone, I feel like in like every YouTube video of anyone who at all sits in front of a computer, they're in the background. And so it's like, all right, sure. I'm with it. I like lights now. I'm a part of the RGB club. I paid for, finally, this sick, I shared it before on stream. I'm gonna share it again. This sick keyboard. Finally broke down my E key on my current keyboard. If you guys could see this, there's no way to easily show it to you, but I have like my mechanical keyboard, right? It thankfully has an expansion USB on it. And so I took my Mac external keyboard, plugged it into my mechanical keyboard, and now I'm coding on my Mac keyboard next to my PC keyboard, which is plugged into my computer. It's pretty bad. But Wednesday, the new keyboard should be in, and so that is exciting, and I'm happy, and I'm excited, because look at all these lights. Oh, I'm all part of Team RGB now. It's so great. I'm actually very sad I wasn't a part of it before. Okay, query string is not defined. Did I not? Hmm. What do you mean? Is this just the old page? Yeah, that's just the old page. Okay. Okay. The other thing we need to do is we need to make some changes here. So instead of prompting login for the whole page, what we're gonna do is current user display all of this, or prompt login. Is that right? Did I do that right? Oh, I guess I need to put these in fragments. Cool. Okay, there we go. So now if I refresh, it'll still, I guess, technically it'll look the same, because we need to get rid of that. But if we take a look at our users page and we steal what we have there, right? Which is the thing I love to do. You already know. Let's take everything from container, from just the container. Actually, no, let's literally take everything. We'll start with just the container, but the rest will come and play later. Okay, put that there. Boom. I'm gonna need to import a couple things. That's fine. Let's see. We need a grid. We need our raised text field. Nice. What are those things on the wall behind me? Or oh yeah, Pat has them. Yeah, see, exactly. These the triangles, the streamer triangles. Definitely a 69X developer. Pink Fluffy Llama. Dude, that is a great name. That's a Hall of Famer right there. How's it going, man? Thanks for stopping by. What's going on? What how goes it? What do? Who are? How many other dumb things can I say? Yeah, these look cool though. I don't know what I'll do with them really, right? But I want them. I want them very badly. One of these days. Okay. Raise text field. Also, I can't wait. The thing I'm most excited about going back and refactoring is just capitalizing all the file names of my components. I don't know what in the world was wrong with me. I think by default, Gatsby had their components lowercase. I knew it was wrong. Like I knew it felt gross, but I didn't do anything about it and I just went with it. And then eventually I was like, no, this is dumb. I'm gonna start capitalizing them. But I never went back and fixed all the other ones. So, it's real bad. It's real bad. Let's see. We need some icons. Search rounded. And then is it circular progress? Is that the other one? Circle progress. Okay, so far so good. We are okay. That is about as good as I expected for now. Oh, maybe that's why I had this a box around this box. Let's throw a box around this and give it padding bottom of like 4. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, okay. Search all. Maybe search all MovieOtter lists. How does that look? Oh, well. Maybe just. Oh man, I don't know. I don't like any of these, but I guess I'll just leave it as the same for now, and then we'll fix it later. Your response to music too? Yeah, dude, they're so cool. Not doing too great. We'll go with Hay Fever is already killing. Ah, bummer. That sucks. I mean, you know, thankfully you can hopefully just things will get better. You'll relax more. To be honest, I'm hopeful. I feel like everyone's been very like sickly lately and sneezy and obviously there's a whole viral pandemic going on, you know, like, you know, hopefully though you'll start feeling better. Thank you, Bashar. I got that one correct, I'm pretty sure. Thanks, Bashar, for the follow. Happy to have you along board. Thank you, Pink Fluffy Llama. Also happy to have you on. But I am, man, dude, I need to make this Hall of Fame command because there's so many great names that come through here. Okay, if I search test, okay, I get the hit back, I get the list, but I'm not doing anything with it. So this, I think, is where we need to steal from both of the previous files, both our user page. Let's steal this, right? Let's see. Then we're gonna have some. God, this is gonna be so bad. Okay. We're gonna have some checks here that say list.length. We'll do something else. We'll do this. God, I'm sorry. Oh, dang it, I did it wrong. Crap. Okay, let's start over. This is fine. Everything is fine. Don't worry. Okay, yellow followed by what? Oh wait, I know what we can do. We can just highlight this whole thing. Isn't that how that works? Why is this upset? Why is this upset? Is it because... Okay. It's just being stupid. Ooh. Antap. Ooh, that's a hard one. Antap. I'm gonna go with Antap. Right? Ain't tab. Ain't. Oh, why are you? You're killing me here, dude. I'm gonna go with ain't tab. I feel like I'm saying the same thing over again, but in my head I'm reading it differently. It's got to be ain't tab. Or is it ain't tab? Ain't tab. It's gotta be Ain't Tab. Thank you so much for following Ain't Tab. Let me know if I got that right in the chat. Hopefully I did, else I'll cry. But I am pretty confident it is not terribly off if I did get it wrong. Oh, come on, huh? Ju6. That's actually a great name. Ju6 is so good. It is so good. So great name. Thank you so much for the follow. Imagine the number of followers after 150 followers started to reduce the number of years left. Yeah, dude, that would be fun. Because we completely destroy. Thank you, honestly. I know a lot of you guys are new. A lot of you guys weren't here before. A lot of you guys have been here for. Thank you to everyone who got us past that goal of 150. Because again, I said it before, I'll say it again. Hitting 150 followers by today? Actually, yes, today. This is, well, I guess, okay, it says 50 hours ago. Really, it was today. I don't know why it said 50 hours ago, actually. But like, that was such a pie in the sky goal that I did not think we would hit, like I would hit. And look at where we're at. 136%, Pat. Like, that's crazy. Thank you so much, everyone who stops by. All the raids, all the follows, all the chats, all the bits, all the subs, all of you guys. Thank you so much. You really, honestly, make streaming incredibly fun and something I look forward to doing every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, starting at 8 p.m. Pacific. Oh, do you like that segue there? That was so good. That was spot on. I'm gonna give myself a round of applause for that one. That was such a good transition. Okay, we're trying to see if we have any of these things, and if we do, then we'll paste this. I don't think we want to give it actually, I don't think we need the box at all. Oh no, deleting too many things. Of course, this is gonna error out. That's fine. Lists. We're gonna map all our lists, and we're gonna do something crazy here. Something totally bananas. For every list, we just gonna return the list title. That should be enough that on a refresh the page loads. Imagine JSX would be so painful without Prettier. Dude, it would be unfreaking bearable. I just literally wouldn't. You couldn't. It'd be the worst. Oh, so bad. So bad. I don't know. There are people who do that, and I just don't understand. I don't understand. Let's see, search results so we can know what we're looking at. Can't wait for more. What? What? That is a real person? That is not a real person. That is not a real user. What? Oh man. That I can't even picture. I can't imagine being creative enough to come up with great names like that. I've seen them around in science and tech. Please. I'm gonna say something I never thought I would say in my life, but please, Moist Booty Boy, if you are around, I would love to have you on stream. I would love to have you join us. for you would win some award. I don't even know. I don't have an award to give you, but you win it. All right. If that is a real dude who can please join our stream, that would be fantastic. A1 name. A1 name. Oh God, so good. Why is this not working now? Oh man, that broke me. That broke me a little bit. Also, guys, it's really late. Okay, you seen him on Queb stream? Oh man, what is this? What'd you do? Let's see you take two. Nope, take two still broken, Pat. I don't know what you're trying to share. I can only imagine. Oh, I can only imagine. Okay. When we search, why is nothing showing up here? Well, we get the search results, so we're getting something. Hello? Can we print hello? Okay. So what? Why is that empty? All right, whatever. I'm not gonna worry about it. That's a problem for future me. I guess it's time for future me to solve that problem. Damn it. Okay. Let's build our list. We're gonna steal, copy paste code. Avatar with which one do we want? Avatar with text. Let's see. Yep. Okay, cool. Have a list. I'm gonna go with this. Oh, we should probably, maybe we'll wrap it in something. Let's see. Okay, bring this up to the top. Get rid of this generate garbage. Cut that. This should actually go there. And then we just need to update things. Like our import things. So we need list. We need list item. Ooh, we need, let's see, list item avatar. We're not gonna do folder icon. Not gonna worry about that. Actually, no, we can actually just use avatar. And list item text. Okay, that's 3 things. It's not bad. That is not bad. List item text and avatar. Okay. No, 3. What? Let's see. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's pause music. Oh God. Do I wanna? God damn it, Pat. Why? Okay, that looks actually really cool. It's sideways, but that actually looks really cool. I can get behind that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, did I not import list item avatar? List item avatar. Save. Okay, I don't think we're gonna have a cooldown. I also don't know if we're gonna be able to get to the thing we actually wanted to get to. What was it? I'm blanking. I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me finish this train of thought, and then we'll talk about what we can and can't do. List.title. Let's see, and then list.description. No. How's this look? Refresh. Let's do test. Okay. So far so good. Why doesn't it like title? Did I not call it title? Where's Algolia? This thing is title. Let's hit. That's why. Yes, that would be why, wouldn't it? Where's my screen? You know why? It's because we copy and pasted too much stuff and we never updated everything. God, this is real. Oh, okay. I guess also we don't need running because we're not doing anything. Asynchronous. Okay. So far so good. Oh, that wasn't updated. All right, I'll figure that out later. That's fine. We'll get to it when we get to it. Okay. Here, when we are creating, let's see, why hits. Here we go. It is search. We are searching and we are getting back MovieList Algolia object. Is that right? Yeah, think so. Okay. Also, where is user index? That's wrong. It should be list index. And what we should be doing here is going to MovieList collection name. Boom. Boom. That fixed it. That did it. Nice. I guess it'd be cool to I mean, this is technically working, right? The query is updating there. If we were to hit this directly, it should. No, it doesn't do that. Why does it not do that? Why are you unhappy with me? Maybe if we go to movies, there's something here. Yes. Okay, it is coming back to me here. Yep. Okay, this is what we gotta copy paste back up here. Okay, why is okay, so if we do test, right, we get the result, and if we hit this URL again, it should pull that in and it reloads with the same query. So you can actually like link queries to people. That's something I always appreciate when a service or something like that offers that. So I try to add it in and do it myself whenever I can. Cool. Things don't have keys. Yep, that is correct. That is correct. Where would that be? Here. List item. Key is going to be list.list ID, so that can stop yelling at me. Cool. Boom. And all we need to do now is like link into it and go from there. But sweet. In fact, how do we do that? I guess. Technically, I think it's just a matter of making this a link, right? Oh, wait a second. Hold on. Maybe that's not how that works. Oh, this just takes a React node. Yeah. Okay. So we can make this a link to. It's gonna be. Oh, we're so close. List / let's see, list ID. Oh, we don't know what link is. Gotta import that. Good job, me. List. Nope. What is list in reach router? Import something from reach router. That something is gonna be link. And that should fix it with like 7 minutes to spare. Okay, I'm not seeing any errors in console. Oh, poop, I broke it. There's a minor breakage. Ooh, oh God, how am I supposed to get this? Okay, thank you for following Exquisite Media. Oh God, okay, I was really worried there. Thank you so much, Exquisite Media, for the follow. Appreciate it. You gave me a challenge there. I almost got the name wrong. I almost got the name wrong, but I didn't. You know why? Because we are amazing people. That is what we do here on this stream. We get all our names correct without fail. Never any worries. Everything is always good. So silly. I actually think maybe this whole thing should be clickable. But then I wonder if that'll look weird at larger sizes. Oh yeah, that'll probably look weird at larger sizes. Here, let's you know what else I want to add? If we're not loading, then what I want to do is see if query. We'll have close here. It's in my head. I can't speak it out loud or else I'll lose it. I'll release it. Close rounded. You'll see what I'm doing. You'll see what I'm doing. 1 second. It'll be great. It'll be great. It'll be great. We want close rounded. Or that. Yes. On click here. Set query to empty string. Boom. Boom. Accept. What? Except it didn't do the thing. Why did I have to refresh? It's not what I want it to be. It's not what I expect. There we go. There we go. Then you can hit that and it'll go away. I can type some more stuff. Oh man, it's very laggy. I don't like that. Okay, cool. Good enough. Good enough. We can click that. We go to the list. We see it. Yes. Boom. I like it. I like it. I think this is a good place to end it. We got some good functionality in here. We are doing good work. Also, guys, I'm just gonna somehow something I forgot what reminded me of this movie, Hustle and Flow. Fantastic movie. In fact, let's end the stream. We won't do a cooldown, but I would like. Let's see. I would like, if you can I get 3 great movie recommendations that I can add to my watch later list. Once we actually get done with MovieOtter functionality, I'm gonna take a nice, long, relaxing break and try to get through as many movies as I can. And I want to build this list now with you guys on stream here. So if you can, drop some movies in chat. We'll find them. I'll add them to my watch list. And oh my God, Dante Prado, Dante, you've just become one of my favorite people in the world. I love Space Jam. Arguably, is this what the new one is gonna be called? A New Legacy? I didn't know that. Space Jam. Freaking tastic movie. My God. Oh, wait. Let's do this in MovieOtter proper, right? I don't want this data to get lost and deleted. Which you guys can also do if you go over to MovieOtter.com. You can make an account now. Soon, and by soon I mean like probably within the next 24 hours. I'll have published. Not published. Deployed. That's the word I'm looking for. My God, words are hard. I'll have deployed the changes to add sign in with email and password, as well as sign in with Twitter. Currently, right now, if you go to MovieOtter, you can only sign in with Google, with the Google account. If you don't have a Google account, or maybe you just don't like using your Google account for sign up stuff, you just prefer email and password, give me 24 hours. By the next stream, I promise you, it'll be live on MovieOtter. You can go there, make something, do all that good jazz there. But let's see, we have Space Jam. Fantastic movie. My God, this is a movie I definitely need to watch again. It's been too long. It's been far too long. We're gonna add it to our watch later list. Let's see, what else do we have? Ooh, Inception's a good one. I mean, I've definitely seen that. I don't remember the last time I've seen it though. Yeah, sure, add it to the watch later list. The High and the Mighty? I know that. The High and... It would help if I was on text field. The High and the Mighty? Oh, definitely don't know this. Looks cool. Add to watch later. Oh no, no. Why is watch later? There we go. Wait, so then did the other one work? We're still finding bugs, guys. Don't worry about that. Remember, this is all made just by me, one person. So there's gonna be plenty of bugs around. Space Jam is on there, High and Mighty is on there, Inception is on there. What else we got? What else do we have? I Am Mother. Interesting. This one? I Am My Own Mother. Whoa, first of all, hold on. Let's take a quick second. What? Well, interested. How does that work? What happened there? There's a story there for sure. Oh, it has no description. No. God darn it. Well. Oh, I think this must be like an indie film. Okay, that would explain a lot. Either way, interested. Not gonna lie. I Am Mother. Looks cool. Sure. Ooh, it's got Hilary Swank in it too. I love me a good Hilary Swank movie. Ex Machina is already on the list. And Code 8. I'm pretty sure Code 8 is on the list too. Yes, this looks familiar. Yeah. That's on the list. Dope. Let's see. Alien. Haven't watched an Alien movie in a while. Do you prefer Alien or Aliens or Alien 2 or Alien Covenant or Alien what? Jesus Christ. There's so many Alien movies. Dude, so many. I was not expecting that. Watch later. What else we got? Let's see. Ooh, My Neighbor Totoro. My Neighbor Totoro. I spelled neighbor wrong, but I'm surprised it didn't still pick it up. Cool. This is a good movie. This is a fantastic movie. It's so good. Not my favorite Ghibli film, but it's good. It's up there. Forrest Gump. All right. I can bang with some Forrest Gump. My man Tom Hanks killing it as always. Cool. Pretty good Netflix sci-fi movie. Oh, okay. The Day the Earth Stood Still. I have never seen that movie. I know I've heard of it. Never watched it. So that is a prime example of something that we can throw on here. Ooh, the 1950s. You know what? Jedi. Thank you so much for that feature request. Adding in the release year for a movie, it helps us out in a case exactly like this. He put the 1951 one, so boom. All right, I take it I should just skip the new one then. Alien and Aliens are the only movies. What are you talking about? Oh, The Martian. Well, first I guess let's add Apollo 13. There's multiples. I didn't know there were multiple Apollo movies. That's kind of cool. Apollo 13 though. All right. Add it to the list. And I think we had one more. Croissant. That's a fantastic name, dude. I love it. Thank you. Welcome. Hi. How goes it? Do you have croissant? Do you have a movie recommendation for me? What is your all-time singular favorite movie in the whole wide world? I'm gonna add it to my watch later list. And after where we've gone further into building MovieOtter, I'm gonna take a relaxing day and try to watch as many movies as a human can possibly do without dying of movie fatigue. All that to say, please send me what you think what your favorite movie is. And then what is it? The Martian. That's right. The Martian. Still need to watch. This movie came out in 2015. Jeez. don't remember that. All right. My favorite space movie is Space Crew Demo 2. That's a movie title? What? That doesn't exist. You're lying to me. You're fibbing. What are you pulling my leg? You got me. You got me. You got me. You sly, cheeky man, you fooled me. Croissant, you don't really watch movies unless someone dragged. Well, all right. What was the last movie someone dragged you to see that you at least enjoyed? Maybe you didn't love it, right? Maybe it's not a 4 on the MovieOtter scale, but it was a good 3. You know, it was a solid. You know, you liked it. You enjoyed. You had a good time. Let's see. No, I'm gonna allow that. That's a good one. What's the last non-porn movie did you watch? Yeah. Kung Fu Hustle. Oh, yeah. You know what's funny? King Fu Hustle. Kung Fu Hustle. I don't know if I ever watched this movie. And apparently there's a 2 that came out at an invalid date. Interesting. I didn't get a chance to click yes on that. Cool. This is gonna be added to the list. All of these fantastic movies are going onto the list. I'm so very excited. We have so much. So we have 51 movies I have to watch later. Oh my God, you guys are giving me so much. You guys are giving me so much. And I don't know why. I think maybe I need to reload this one. You know what? If I remove it and then add it again, I think the new list gets saved, or the new image gets saved. And that might be a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Lists are being saved. Things are being added. I like it. It's really over the top, but it's pretty fun. That's all I can ask for. That's all. The Fugitive is pretty good. Let's see. Is that the Jackie Chan one? No, that is not. What is the Jackie Chan one I'm thinking of? It was really great. It was super fun. This one, wait, Harrison Ford. I have no idea what this is. I'll watch it. Do you guys know what movie I'm talking about? It was Jackie Chan. He was like it was basically Man on Fire, but with Jackie Chan. No, it's not Rush Hour. Where he not. I guess technically Rush Hour does have that exact premise. I'm sorry, I laughed. No, that is the exact premise of that. It is Jackie Chan's daughter was killed in like some building. It was Taken. Sorry, it was if Taken, but starring Jackie Chan, where is this older, disgruntled shop owner Jackie Chan, and his daughter blew up in some like building explosion related to drugs or something. The Foreigner. Yes, that movie was, yeah. Oh man, just give me all the Jackie Chan. Give me just, honestly, I would 1000% just do a Jackie Chan marathon. Where was it? Oh no, it had to be better than okay. It had to be. Don't tell me that. I love all of Jackie Chan's movies. He is such a good man. He can do no wrong. God, I hope honestly, I will give up Tom Hanks for Jackie Chan. All right, Tom Hanks is a saint. He is a beautiful man who does nothing wrong. I will 100% give up Tom Hanks if we could just get another 3 dozen Jackie Chan movies. Looks like you need to add a search by actor feature. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Once we get a little bit more, once we populate our movies a little bit more, we'll be able to actually do that. We'll be able to like click into Jackie Chan and see all his roles that he's had, or at least all the roles that we've imported. And maybe even import other ones, but then show all the movies they've been in, add those, auto import those as well. Dude, Jackie Chan over Tom Hanks any day of the week. All right. I'll put that on a shirt and I'll wear it proud. All right. What? Oh God, what is this? Ooh, we have an official list. Holy crap! I like this. I like this a lot. Well, you know, Ben, this is exactly the kind of thing we're trying to solve with MovieOtter. I know it's not technically it's not in there yet, right? I can't go to your profile and just see all your favorite movies, but this is exactly the kind of thing where I'm hoping to fix. I'm hoping to add, hoping to create, so you could just link this in a profile. You could share it with whoever and get the same. It will be, yes, it will soon be. Yeah. This is all super cool. This is all exactly what I'm trying to build at. This is actually pretty good. It's pretty good. You got it. You got this. It's being beaten out by a cool dog. Well, I can't click into Interstellar and see anything about it, right? What's this Crimson Tide movie? I know nothing about that. Ocean's 11, solid. The Minority Report, is that the one with the space robot man? I don't know. You know? All right, we're better than this Google Doc, sir. I'll have you know. But yes. Crimson Tide. All right, well, I guess I'll Google it. Or I'll otter it. No, I'm sorry. Crimson Tides. Crimson Tide? Crimson Tide. Oh, this looks like a scary movie. I don't want to watch this. I don't want to watch this. It's got Denzel in it? Never mind. I'll watch it. And Gene Hackman? Hell yeah, I'll watch this. All right. You got me. You brought me on board. You scared me off with the weird Blair Witch looking icon logo here on the poster, but then you brought me back in with Denzel and Hackman. Let's see. How can I literally be dude, that's like if I was making a game. I don't know every game character. I try. I'm trying to get better. All right, this is why I need your recommendations so that I can be better. Is this the movie? They make a sub jump? Oh my God. All right. I'm with it. I read Minority Report as Monty Python. Yeah. Let's actually bring both of these in. Minority Report. I haven't actually seen Minority Report either, if I'm being honest. I wasn't a big Tom Cruise fan for a long time. And then I saw Vanilla Sky, and I really liked that movie. And then after that, it was just like, oh yeah, I mean he's cool. He does, you know, I guess he's good. People love him. People seem to like him. Monty Python and the Holy Grail. I know I've never seen Monty Python, and that is, I know, a travesty. That should be like top of the list things that I watch. Oh my God, these guys did so many roles. Oh my gosh, I know nothing about Monty Python except that it's quoted heavily. There's a man who gets his arm chopped off and says like, "Oh, 'tis but a scratch," right? That's in the memes, and that's like it. That's it. That's all I know. So I'm actually very much looking forward to watching this movie. I hear it's great, and I wanna my game. On that note, Monty Python, Holy Grail, yeah. Inspired a lot of AR coming out today. Yeah, that's what I hear. Yep. Huge fan of the nested ternary. I should know that word. I'm a programmer. Ternary. Is that nested? What? Maybe it doesn't exist on the movie database. Yeah, maybe that doesn't exist on the movie database. Dang, I'm bummed. Oh! Oh. Yeah. Oh, you guys can tell it's late. That's how you know. Console logger. You got me. You swindled me. added this movie because you were talking about it. Was it Holmes? Holmes and Watson. The only reason this exists in this database is because you were talking about it and how bad it was, and I realized I never watched it. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on the list. That would be a really good bad movie to watch sometime. I'd be down for that. Name applies really well. Yeah, I'm real bummed you got me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little salty. That's cool. That's cool. Starring Isaiah Idea. Yep, I like it. Cool. I think that is real good. The deeper your ternary, the higher your IQ. I like it. Hey, Swirlo. It's like Swalo, but are you a Pokemon fan? Swirlo. Yeah, Swirlo. That's easy to pronounce. I didn't get that wrong. I'm pretty confident I didn't get that wrong. Thanks for joining us. Unfortunately, you joined right basically at like the end of the stream. We can see if there's anyone to raid, right? I know I've been trying to get better at my raiding. It's still very hard. But you gotta practice. Croissant. Thank you so much for that. I can't do it well, right? I don't do a good Carl, but it's still really good. And Swirlo, my God, thank both of you guys. Thank you both for joining us. Thanks for joining. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for hanging out. Unfortunately, like I said, we are at the end, and I'm gonna try to find someone that we can raid. Let's see. Let's go into science and tech. Maybe we can find was it Moist Booty Boy? God, I hope one day he shows up in my stream. I am gonna be ecstatic if that ever happens. Oh, I'm gonna be so hyped. With a name like that, you just have to be good. Let's see. Moist people. Oh yeah. One day he'll show up. The legendary, the fable, the myth, the man, the legend. I guess the myth, the boy, the legend. Anybody got any streamer recommendations for a follow? I mean, obviously you guys you guys are here with me, you're hanging out, you know my taste, you know my style of streamer. You know, maybe we can find someone also like that. Preferably someone with less viewers, right? I feel like it's always fun to come in with somebody who's maybe newer or just getting started, boost them up a little bit, chat with them for a bit. The prophecy has begun. Ooh. Her Hemojime? Hemojime? Oh man, no, I can't fail here. Hemojime. I'm gonna go with Hemojime. Hemojime? I said it 3 times, it gotta be right. Let me know if I said it right. I definitely didn't. I definitely said that wrong. It's gonna be like Homogamy or something like that. Homogamy. Actually, that might be it. Homogamy. I don't know. No, I'm gonna beat myself up. Sounds like a fail. You sound like a fail. No, I was doing good. All right, I was doing so good. Now he's laughing at my pain. Let's see. Not seeing anyone jump out at me. Let's see. Someone's studying. That could be cool. If it was earlier and we were gonna be working still, that'd be cool. Let's see. Ooh, someone has their cat on stream? That's a good way to lure me in. Oh, learning web development from scratch. That could be cool. Yeah, yeah. I don't think anyone in here is. Let me see. Maybe we can jump in on this guy learning. But honestly, I prefer not to do that just because then that could be putting pressure on people that I wouldn't want to put pressure on. Yeah, yeah. Maybe this is a good place to stop it. Jamie. Oh, I'm glad they didn't come in here. Jamie Pine Live is pretty cool. Not lower view count though. I know, yeah. But hey, you know what? If they come recommend it, then I mean, let's just try it. Yeah. Emojime. I'm assuming Emojime. Emojime? Is that right? Emojime? It's got to be it. Did I say that? Was that one of the things I said? I don't think so. Maybe though. He's giving me a thumbs up. Seems good. So you tried. Yeah. Oh, I got the approval. That means it's right. Is fact. You can look at the chat right there. It's pure fact that we got it right. No problems. Still on a hot streak. I like it. Yeah, let's jump into Jamie Pine, Jamie and blah 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 blah. Jamie Pine Live. We'll jump in there with a raid. But first, I just want to say thank you guys. You make streaming very, very fun, very, very entertaining. You give me great recommendations, and you also come in with some fantastic names. My God. You gotta you try, not a you're right. No, what? Yeah, I guess you're right. He did only say I tried. Oh man. Wow. All right, well, the count resets back down to 0. I'll figure out a way. Maybe I can set up like a Streamlabs thing that we could just count. We can actually get a real streak going. I'll set up something off stream. I really want to gotta keep that ego in check. I really want to get our name stream count going live and integrated into all this stuff here. But thank you all so much for joining me today. No one tell Kid Queb, no one tell him that we failed. All right, it's a secret. It's between me and you and the other dozens of people here, but it's just between us. This is a circle of secrecy. All right, and if you are inside the circle, then I treat you well. And if you lie to me, then you get kicked out of the circle. Once you're out of the circle, then you don't want to be outside the circle. So keep everything within our little circle of secrecy. Don't tell him that I failed. But we did get one feature done. We got list searching, and I can prove it on this tab. Space Jam. I can prove it on this tab if we just type in test. We get our test here. Technically, this should be my face. I don't know why it's not. I'll work on that later. I didn't say it was perfect, all right? I said it was done, not that it was great. So thank you so much for everyone stopping by, jumping in, stopping by. We got a lot done. I will be streaming again on Wednesday, starting at 8 p.m. And I'm skipping this Friday. This Friday is my anniversary with my girlfriend, and we're gonna be playing some VR. We got an Oculus Quest. I'm very, very excited to try some of that out. Play around with that. Super, super fun. And yeah, thank you guys. Let's get this raid started.